Buddy, good morning, Vietnam. All right, I'm done. What's up, everybody? What's up? How are we doing? We're up 2% pre-market. Not doing too bad. And it looks like it's not really clear where this descending level is, but we actually are kind of breaking out, a little bit of the short-term bearish trend. But here's the thing. It's not really clear where this resistance is exactly because it's just there's only 2 data points really wherever you draw it. So I mean, I'm gonna stick with right here for now. There's 2 data points there, 2 validations, right? I'm gonna go with that. That's what I'm gonna go with. All right, here we go. Let's put that do not disturb on real quick. Hopefully the Wi-Fi is better today. I hope the Wi-Fi is not that good. I put it on low latency instead of ultra low, so now there's gonna be like I don't know a couple more seconds of delay maybe. Okay, so hopefully that maybe that'll help the Wi-Fi. I don't know. I'm trying it, though. Anyways, as far as news, there's really no... okay, we did get this. This is news. Honestly, we got a new Wall Street Bets thing, man. We got a new Wall Street Bets post, and it's actually... It's a good one. I mean, all it is this, but, we'll take it, right? It was 4 hours ago, or let's refresh. I think it was 4 hours ago. Hold on. Yes, 4 hours ago. Also, right off the bat, well, I guess we got 5 minutes to the open, but basically, dude, I was doing some research yesterday on the Sapphire installations and sales this quarter, and it's looking insanely bullish, my friends, as far as revenue. I was gonna make it in the freaking, what do you call it? In track stocks. I was working on it, but anyways, long story short, I didn't get it finished. But yeah, I was looking over that stuff, and I actually got this. We can go over. I guess we can go over this in a little bit. There's 5 minutes of the open here. We're up 2%. So I guess I'll leave it right here for now. But oh my god! Oh, finally! Wow! Finally, there was a sell side imbalance for the first time in literally 2 days. Hold on a second. Hold on. Let me run this program real quick. Hold on. All right, there we go. Oh, let me delete that stuff real quick. Hold on. I'm insane. All right, there we go. All right, let me zoom in here. All right, sell side imbalance. We finally got imbalanced shares, 12,000. More shares are basically being sold at a price / in a way that helps the price go down. That's all these red and green numbers mean. If it's green, it helps the price go up. If it's red, it helps the price go down. Essentially, it's not actually buying and selling. It is buying and selling, but there's buying and selling every transaction, right? So to clarify on that, it's basically just, are you buying at the ask? Or are you or the bid, and are you selling at the ask or bid? That's essentially what it is. That's essentially what the time and sales are. And I only clarified that once. So there you go. There's again. All right, volume is low again on his mic. Okay. You need a little bit. I can put it up a little bit more, but the audio is better itself if I have it on low volume because I hate the gain. I hate the little static error at the when you put the gain up, which I can do, but I don't want to be honest with you. Volume is low, but yeah, you just got to crank the volume, and then the quality is best. So I think it's worth it. What do you guys think? I'll do whatever. I can change it up if y'all want, but I think the quality is a little bit worse. We can try it higher. I don't know, whatever y'all want. I don't care. All right, 2 minutes till the open. 2 minutes. You can barely hear him. All right, I'll put it up. I'll put it a little bit up. Okay, how about that? I'll just put it a little bit up for you. All right, I'll put it up. Put it up right there. All right. Ethernet cable is ordered. No, I have not got it yet, unfortunately, but it's on the way. Also, if anyone's just getting in here right now, we may have, and this is a little bit speculative because there's only 2 data points, but basically there's 1 minute to the open, and I want everybody to know that we are kind of breaking out of this downtrend since we peaked at 920, right? Since we got that peak right there, we've been downtrending, and right now we have a breakout. And that's as simple as it gets. We have a breakout. And let me look at the 21 SMA here. Oh, that's actually not what you want to see. But nonetheless, we are kind of breaking out right now. That's as simple as it gets. On the daily, we still have we're still in bullish territory. Okay, but let me put it on the 1 minute before I freaking forget about the open. Okay, we have 1 minute to the open. Here we go, boys. Here we go. Green or red for the day, and what price? What's your end of day price, everybody? What are we closing at today? What do y'all think? Perfect. Thanks. Better. Okay. All right. Awesome. All right. Yeah, I hope BNGO does what AORPH does. Yeah, I hope so. Over $8. Dude, I think so too. I think so too. I think we're gonna go over $8 today. We have the chance. The Nasdaq is not even that good. The Nasdaq, the QQQ's pre-market is actually almost in the red, and Bionano is still running right now. So, I mean, if that does us any favors, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised at all. Over 8. Yeah, all right, here we go. 15 seconds. 10 seconds till the open now. 10 seconds. Market's really unfazed by inflation. I'm starting to think Feds have this perfectly under control. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know, man. Why are we barcoding so much? Why are we barcoding? All right, hopefully at the open we don't barcode so much. There we come. Buying at the ask. Coming in. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, what is this? See, it's so insane. It's like there's so much buying, yet nothing happens. We just go down. It's so insane. Whatever. Hey, short term does not matter for long term. It really does not. Nano Dimension's a little bit. Nano Dimension's still at the exact same price as us. Very interesting. Very weird. Very weird. 5,000 shares at 783. Oh. This is just freaking gut punches right now. Oh, man. I mean, we're still green. I can't complain, but dang it. 10,000 to 782. 14,000 to be sold at 783. Let me see what the market's just opened up with. Let me see. Spot. Okay, NASDAQ. Oh, yeah, the NASDAQ is bleeding. Yep, everything. Yeah, here it is. Oh, well, the Russell's doing well, actually. The Russell's doing well. SPY is going down to the freaking bottom of the ocean. Same with BNGO. Man, there's no selling coming in, though. Look at that, 15,000. 15,000 at the ask at 782 and 780. Man. Yeah, 780. Dang, dude. That is a buy-side imbalance right there. It's good. This is going to be a buy-side imbalance, mark my words. I mean, based on what I'm seeing. Man. Well, okay, it's technically we got green volume. Technically we got green volume because we ended it as like a, I mean, I guess that's closer to a hammer than a doji, but it looks more like a doji, I would say. Hammer candle. Here we go. Hammer candle formant. Here we go. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. This is what we need. Beauty right there. BNGO outperforming Nano Dimension. That's what we need. We need to take our freaking correlation to Nano Dimension and say screw it, you know, and start moving on our own. I mean, okay, I mean, whatever. If Nano Dimension starts running with us, whatever, I'm fine. But, you know, Bionano does not. I mean, at the end of the day, we all think it's going to move on by itself because the fundamentals, right? It's going to set it apart from the markets and all of its competitors, right? It's going to come eventually. Why not come now? Why not start moving by yourself now? 783, testing the intraday high. Well, yeah, it is. Yeah, because that's what we opened up with. Yep. Here we go. Shorts covering right out the gate, maybe. Let's check that short interest data, by the way. It's up on the day so far, and I do want to talk about someone thinking it went down and the shorts are covering a lot. That's actually not true. They covered a little bit, but not a lot. 784 new intraday high. Whoa! Whoa! What was that? 20,000 at 788. What was that? Oh man! Look at all that buying pressure coming in, dude. If that was selling pressure, we would be red right now. If that was selling pressure, mark my words, we would be red if that was selling pressure. There's always a buy side imbalance. There almost always is. Oh man. Nano Dimension is getting killed, and Bionano is setting itself apart. Okay, it was. I just jinxed it. It looks like. Let me look at the genomic sector. All right. Pat Bio's up. Okay, so pretty mixed in the genomic sector today. High growth is doing well, though. High growth, by and large, is doing pretty well. Well, Microvision did great yesterday, though. Clover's down now. Okay, that's interesting. AMC, BlackBerry doing well. SENS doing very well. Still, SENS, man, what the heck? How does this thing keep going up? No one cared about SENS 2 weeks ago, man. Now it's like the thing. It's a new thing. Wow. Well, anyways, and then what else do we have? So Medica doing not much, so nothing else really. Oxygen's doing pretty good. GameStop's doing well. Dang, just like that. Okay, goodbye gains. All right then. Wow. Just like that, and you see, here's the thing: there's no selling pressure. There's no actual. Look at that, 10,000 shares bought at the ask again. It's like there's so many more buys coming in at prices that should help the price, right? That's why they're green. Yet when any sort of red comes in, that is selling at the bid or something, it just goes straight down to hell. And this is the same as that pattern that we've seen. We've seen this pattern since what? For this is the third day in a row. If it happens all day today. Oh man. Again and again in the pre-market, we tested almost $8. We basically tested $8 in the pre-market again, man. So oh wow, yeah, it's the market's just dumped. Yep. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. No, high growth just dumped. Yeah, the Nasdaq's doing well still. Russell, everything's doing well, but the high growth just absolutely just got dumped. Absolutely annihilated. Nano is red now. Microvision's down 4%. Tattooed Chef is now down 2%. Clover is down big still. Yeah, everything just took a hit. Every high growth stock just took a big hit right there. Bionano right now is outperforming. Look at this. Okay, these are, mark my words, Bionano has two main competitors, right? Microvision and Nano. I mean, not competitors, but tethers. You know, they move together, man. Microvision and Nano Dimension. Those, honestly, if I had to pick two companies, those would probably be it. Those are probably the two that make or break Bionano's performance. Probably, I don't know. You know what I mean, right? Correlation. Those are both red. Bionano's freaking green, man. I love it. I love it, man. It's a long day, though. It's a long day. And the Friday is an important day, right? Friday is an important day because it's where the traders have even more overnight exposure if they're going to hold. So we really want to see if they're going to hodl through or buy or sell what stuff at the close, because they're basically betting, okay, they're saying this is not worth the risk. I'm getting out. I'm selling. I'll buy back in next week. Or this, I feel good about the stock. I'm in for the weekend. We're going to see, by and large, what a lot of them are doing. A lot of buying pressure in here. A lot of shares being bought at the ask. I like to see it. Let me know if there's any news. Let me know if there's any news that I'm missing. By the way, ignore this trend line. Okay, for some reason, Webull, one weird thing about Webull is that the trend lines that you draw on different time frames, they get absolutely screwed up. They get super screwed up. So don't worry about that trend line. I know it's a little confusing, but for anyone getting here, you know what? Screw it. Let's talk about that, okay? We are kind of breaking out right now out of this, and we actually did confirm it. I mean, there's only 2 data points here, but we basically, and if we actually do this, we did confirm, and we did come down here. It wasn't a perfect validation, but we did confirm the break. I mean, we have 1 4-hourly close, and then we are about to get 2 4-hourly candles closing above the previous level of resistance, turning it into a new level of support, right? So if we were to see any dippage today or in the next 4 hours, 755 and 767, depending on which 4-hourly candle you're in, those are going to be support levels, maybe, right? But there's only 2 data points, so it's like, well, but still, you like to see it, right? We've had a steep downtrend. Not very clear validation, but we've had a steep downtrend, and now we're finally out of there, right? We're finally just going sideways. And that's exactly what you want to see. For the last, 2 days, almost 3 days in a row, not the whole day here, but we've just been going sideways, basically, right? Besides this one freaking huge wick down into the upside, right? We've just been going sideways. A lot of consolidation, which is actually a lot. We've been talking about the scenario where Bionano just goes sideways for a couple of days or even weeks around this $7 to $8 to $9 area, and we just wait for the 21 SMA on the daily to come up and get that kiss off of it, then break 912 or 920 as the high, and then we do higher highs, higher lows, and we test our $10 price target of the short squeeze, price target, okay, unofficial price target of the short squeeze if it were to happen, right? I mean, we don't even need a squeeze to hit $10, to be honest with you, but oh man. But yeah, that's what it, let me check this. Hold on. Microvision is still way down. Nano Dimension is still way down. Dude, it's so weird today. It's right now, today, high growth is moving. High growth has a mind of its own today. I mean, it's not moving. Look at the Russell go. The Russell is just freaking, it's just perpetually going up. The Dow, I mean, the high growth sector, at least on my watch list, Nano, Bionano, and Microvision, and AMC and all this other stuff, BlackBerry, Clover, these guys are just moving on their own. These guys are not moving with the markets. None of these charts look similar to the markets that I'm making, that to my understanding, that I'm seeing right now. I know it is moving by market algorithm. I know it is. But they can't do it forever. And once people actually see the truth, they'll actually rally to our cause. It just rallies people more to our cause, I think. It just tells you that we would be valued higher if there wasn't so much crap going on. Bitcoin may be forbidden in the Netherlands. It's still way up, though. It's still way up. Is that true? Look at that. Look at all the shares being bought at 772, yet we don't even... Okay, there we go. Finally holding because we get a couple more in. Oh, man. Oh, man. No. No, I did not want to do that. No. I had it perfectly set up. Hold on. What do you call it? Here, let me. Oh no, bro, why did that close? I just said reset layout. Okay, well, while we're waiting for that to come back on, 0.14% increase in the short interest. That's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Oh no, hold on. Hold on, let me get this over here so you can actually see this chart here. Right. Order flow. Where's the level 2 data? Okay, there we go. There's time and sales. And I want the order book as well. Yes. Okay, good. Get out of here. Okay, let me just... Can I, like... No. Okay, honestly, that's probably fine. I would like to... Dang it, dude. My setup was perfect. I ruined my setup. No. I'm just going to do it like this for now until I freaking figure it out again. Damn it, though. All right, anyways, we're up 1% right now still. Nothing going on, really. Nothing going on, really. Brandon, will you shave your head if BNGO when BNGO hits all-time highs? Yeah, if we do it this month or this week or next week, yeah, I will. How about that? Does that sound fair? Man, this is so annoying, dude. How did I have it set up before? Oh my gosh. Ah! Damn it. I really don't know how I had it set up. Anyways, all right, yeah, let's just watch the chart then. Screw it, let's just watch the chart. You are very good with computers, like yesterday with the volume, I know. I know. I'm so good. I'm so good, I know. 1.5% in the green right now. I'm starting to follow us for once, finally. Microvision's doing well now, finally. I mean, Microvision's still doing great, right? You look at the daily chart, you're looking amazing. Hey, let's just be thankful the Wi-Fi is not bad. As I say that, we're having that. Yep. I was just going to say, at least the Wi-Fi is not screwing up today, and there we go. I was going to say, at least the Wi-Fi is not screwing up today. It just started flickering. Clip that. Yeah. Yep. Well, jumping to the downside right now. Oh my gosh. Already printing Brandon's Wi-Fi puts. Oh man. Easy money. I know, it's so easy. It's so easy. It is so easy. Clover is getting absolutely annihilated. This is my play money trade yesterday. I'm like down a huge amount. Huge amount. I mean, let's see. Down what, $20? Hold on. Oh man. 1585. Wow. Dude, look at this. This is what every stock has done. Every single high growth stock, it goes to the freaking 21 SMA on the 4 hourly, and every one of them is just broke down. Seems like a lot of them have at least. Nano Dimension is starting to catch up with the BNGO. I don't like that. I don't like that. I really want to get our setup back because it was so good. But we're going to have to settle with something crappy like this, though. Hold on. We're going to get it. We're going to get it here. Hold on. There we go. It's makeshift. It's very makeshift. That's that's going to have to work, though. It's the same thing. It doesn't look as pretty, but it's the same thing. It'll work. 57K buy is $7. Ooh. Hold on, let me check that. 8,000 at 773. You're saying it's $7. Oh, you're saying, okay, yeah. At $7 flat, you mean? Yeah, well. No. No. We're bleeding as I struggle to fix this. All right, there we go. No. No! Right, man. Oh, man. Yeah, Wi-Fi's gone. Wi-Fi's gone. Brandon and I had nightmares of that thumbnail from yesterday. Oh, man. That's too funny. Yeah, it was. Yeah, that was quite the... That was quite the thumbnail, wasn't it? Consolidating to 6? Okay, yeah, all right. All right, Bear. Didn't you call like $6 today? Didn't you call yesterday $6 or something, man? Get out of here. 22,000 shares just bought. 766. Buying at the ask. Buying at the ask, and the price still goes down. So weird, man. That's how you know. That's how you know something's weird now. And red again. Not red yet. Oh, as I say, I just jinxed us. Yeah, now we're almost red. Almost red. Here come the bears. Here come the bears. We're almost red, and here come the bears, guys. Get ready. They're coming out of hibernation. $7.67. Nano Dimension is beating us right now. Nano's beating us. Let's see what the markets are literally, high growth is literally having a mind of its own today, which is really weird. This week, I mean, except when Bionano had the news drop in, right, the CCO news and the China Sapphire, we did have a ton of crazy stuff this week, but I mean, yeah, we've moved a little bit on our own, but really especially the last 3 days, at least 2 days, we've moved with the markets. We've moved with the NASDAQ especially. And today, it's, we're just, moving, just going down, NASDAQ's going up. So that's nice. But yeah, really weird. Really weird. Sometimes it just happens. Remember, before February 16th, right? Even in the good old days, Bionano would sometimes have a bad day where the NASDAQ was doing great, and we still were making, 1,500% from, 50 cents. So, at highs, of course. So, a close today, again, it's the same thing as yesterday. I would like to close above $8, but at the same time, if we're going to do the whole thing where we're like, okay, we're going to consolidate for a couple days, we're going to not really move. Look at this. Literally, we've just been going sideways. But if we're going to do the whole consolidate until we get the 21 SMA bounce up, right at the middle Bollinger Band of the daily, if we're going to do that, consolidating a couple days is not bad. And as I'm saying this, we're literally just dumping. Just dumpage. Mythical will eat dirt. Going to free fall soon. Here they come. Why didn't you say that at the open? Why didn't you? This is why I can't respect you guys. Like, if you would have actually made a good call for once and actually say, oh, all right, we're green. I think we're going to go down from here. No, you say, oh, this stock sucks after we've already gone down. It's like, oh my gosh, it's so frustrating. So why bears? You want to know why no one will respect you or take you seriously? That is why. That is why no one will remember your name. 37K shares to be bought at 750. Yeah, oh my gosh, look at Clover. Look at Clover. Wow. All right, where's the freaking dude? Oh, well, they still got a while to go, but I will buy if we hit $9. I will actually make a real trade. I don't really like Clover necessarily, but for trading purposes I do. If it gets to that price. SENS still going way up. Man. Dude, I'm kind of confused as to why this is still going up, to be honest with you. I guess it's just the sentiment, it's similarly to Bionano, and there's just been it's just gotten absolutely killed since it started running, and now it's finally kind of doing good, I guess. But I didn't think the news was that crazy, was it? I guess it was. I don't know. Is SENS run justified? What do you guys think? Yeah, the volume today is even worse than yesterday. Let's see. We're in almost 30 minutes. Let me get the 10-minute chart here. Let me compare it to yesterday. Yeah, oh my gosh, look at that. We are on track to get like 10, 12, 13 million volume. That's less than yesterday. That's like almost half of the 3-month average volume for BNGO. Absolutely laughable. Absolutely laughable. FDA approval soon. We need PR. Yeah, it would be nice. It would be nice. It would be nice. Well, yeah, it would be. Here's the thing. Did you guys see Eric's tweet yesterday? Eric did tweet. The CEO of BNGO tweeted yesterday. Nothing crazy, but, you know. You guys want to see it? I guess we got nothing else to do, right? The chart's not very exciting. I mean, the Bears are gone now. We're green again, and the Bears are gone. Bye, Bears. See ya. Which one of you Bears, if you have the courage to admit it, I'm sure you don't, but which one of y'all predicted $6 by either yesterday or today? One of you guys said $6 today. And one of you said $6 or $5 next week as well. I keep forgetting because there's so many dumb bear comments. I don't even pay attention to them when they're that bad, but I know someone said that. Right, Eric Holman. Yeah, this is the CEO, right? 12 hours ago, BNGO Rangers are rocking tonight. BNGO votes came in. Thank you. And then yeah, he posted this, which some people were thinking this is a new chip, and it's actually, I don't think it actually is, right? Because it's from Scoop. He's the one that actually made this, I guess. That picture. So Wall Street Bet trend map. Yes, I can. Absolutely, I can. If we go to the trend map for Wall Street Bets, I bet we are doing even worse than before. Let's see. Oh, can I even find us in here? We're not even on the list, are we? Bro, where are we? Not there, not there, not there. We are no... Dude, we're literally no... Are we even on here? Do y'all see us? AMC Wish. Yeah, oh my gosh, look at SENS, man. Dang. Oh, there we are. There we are. Yeah, we're in the red. We're in the red. Almost minus 100% of our mentions. Yep, minus 55%. 30 mentions. Absolutely horrible. If anyone wants to, we do have one Wall Street Bet post that I got through, actually, somehow. So, yeah, so it looks like we are in there, but, you know, we're absolutely just doing horrible. So... Closing at 8:14 this afternoon. Watch your big money pour in around 11 a.m. Pacific time. So the Pacific time is 2 hours earlier than Central, right? So, bro, I'm not even... Okay, so wait, 11 a.m. Pacific time. My brain is too stupid to do that math into Central time. Somebody tell me what that is, Central. Brandon, those bears who made that video really called you out yesterday. Who? Everything Money? Did they call me out? Did they? Are you messing with me? I would love to do like a YouTube battle because it would be so hype. Let's look them up. Everything Money. Did they? That would be insane. There's no way they did, though. There's no way they did. You gotta be messing with me. No, unless they said something in here. Yeah, no. They wouldn't see my video. My video doesn't have enough. 1 p.m. Central. Thank you. What do you have to say about Everything Money? Yeah, Everything Money versus Brandon. Dude, that would be good. Didn't call you out specifically, but mentioned pimply teen in mom's basement. Did they? In what video? In what video? Mythical Physics. 5 minutes, you will see a flash crash. Minus 8%. Okay, all right, buddy. Dude, I would love to do a war with them. I would love to do... See, ad hominem is one... I mean, I'm not surprised that they call me a, pimply team or whatever, if that's true. Dude, I'm not surprised. That's what they do. They make fun of something because they don't know what the hell they're talking about, in my opinion. Okay, I don't want to be disrespectful to them, but, when you say shit like this, I'm going to get freaking pissed off, so you're doing it yourself. The fact of the matter is, in the first 30 seconds of the video, right, and I think I said this yesterday, they don't even understand what kind of samples the Sapphire used, right? The first guy, they asked, the main guy asks, what do these guys do? And then the other guy is like, well, it's pretty complicated. I don't really know what it is. I don't understand it. But basically, you use some sort of blood sample, I think, and that's actually not true, right? You can use culture cells, blood cells, frozen or fresh, tissue cells, and you can do cancer biopsy protocols. And some of that, I'm not a geneticist. Some of that, like, okay, I get, at least I know what it is, though, right? At least some of it, I'm not a freaking geneticist. I don't understand everything, right? But at the end of the day, you better understand the freaking product if you're going to say it's horrible, right? If you don't understand the product, how the hell do you have the, how do you think it's fair to say, oh, the shares outstanding is high? Oh, the shares outstanding have been increasing. It's going to keep increasing. That's just not how it works, right? This is a quintessential fallacy composition. Yeah. Bring on the badge. I thought their fundamental analysis was pretty weak. I agree. Yeah, it was absolutely. But they were saying the quick increase in the shares outstanding was pretty true. Well, yeah, but think about it though. Yeah, we increased our shares outstanding. Yes, of course we did. It's now 278 million. Guess what? We have 360 million in cash and can sustain ourselves for the next 5 years, and have enough. And we now have enough money for 5 large clinical trials, for research and development, for nanonozzle development. Okay. The fact of the matter is, you can't just look at one thing. I mean, you guys know, okay? You guys know these guys don't know what the hell they're talking about. I mean, at the end of the day, literally, they don't even talk about the Sapphire once. I only watched about I don't know, half of it to 3/4 of it because I just could not take anymore because I couldn't do it anymore. So I was gonna watch it on. I was gonna record it like me watching it and like reacting to it, but oh my god, I didn't want to put you guys through that, man. It was I mean, it was horrible. It was absolutely horrible. And then the guy said, and then the guy says, and then they're like, oh yeah, but swing trading, this is good. And I don't even know what they said. I don't even remember what they said, where to get in at, but it's just the weirdest analysis ever. I think it was. But yeah, I would love to do a freaking war. Dude, I would love to go to war with that channel. Are you kidding me? Dude, I hate these guys already. Wait a second. Yeah, wait a second. I think I know what you're talking about, pimply teen, right? That's referring to me. Didn't they say that in this video? Didn't they say that in this video right here? Is that right? Please do a reaction now. Well, I can't right now because my freaking audio would not work, right? Yesterday, yesterday we tried to do the freaking stockholder meeting live, and we couldn't get the desktop audio to work, so I had to actually put the mic on the actual keyboard to get the audio through. So it technically did work, but not very well, right? So I'll tell you what, I can do an actual pre-recorded video reacting to that, and then the audio will work, I think. Yeah, we do have a 3 white soldiers. Yeah, we do have 3 white soldiers on the weekly here, kind of, pretty much. I mean, here you go. Okay, here's your first candle. They sequentially get bigger, and although this is kind of an inverse hammer, it's like, well, whatever, it's good enough. 3 white soldiers, I'm calling it 3 white soldiers, candlestick bullish pattern. We also have a cup and handle potential. So, yeah, it's not looking bad at all. Yeah, those guys are absolutely awful, though. I mean, I want to be respectful, but at this point, I mean, if they already call me a pimply teen, the war's already started. So we're just finishing the war right now. We're just finishing it, man. They were talking about pimply teens thinking they hit a home run with BNGO. BNGO warriors will kill all bears. Dude, I mean, look at the number of dislikes on their video. Let's do it. Should we comment right now on stream? Yeah, we should. Oh my gosh, what is this? This is the people have spoken, man. The people have spoken, man. I've never had a video get worse a dislike ratio than this except one, to my knowledge, the AMC one. That's as simple as it gets. It's a fallacy composition. You can't look at one thing or a few things about a company and say it's a bad company. You have to understand everything. If you're not everything, but you have to understand at least half of it. If you don't even look at the product, I mean, I already know you haven't looked at half of it because that is the number one biggest thing, right? Screw the shares outstanding, screw the financials, screw everything else. The product is one of the most important things, if not the most important, because that's where your revenue comes from, right? Oh, revenue is the only thing that matters. How do you think you get revenue, dumbass? It's the Sapphire sales. Like, oh, you don't even mention Sapphire. They don't even know what Sapphire is, man. Oh, man. It's too funny. It's too funny, man. Do y'all want to see me react to this video? I guess I will. It got 6,000 views. That's sad. That's sad, man. I mean, the views are still better than me, right? I'm not saying that's sad. It's just sad that many people had to sit through that crap, in my opinion, man. The Bears are back, it looks like. Oh, man. They think Sapphire's a gemstone. Dude, they don't even know what Sapphire is. I mean, I just don't understand. All right, guys, let me ask you a question. If you were going to make a video making a bear thesis on a company, don't you think you would mention a product? At least one? At least something? They don't even mention it. I mean, did they? I didn't even watch the very last part of it because I just couldn't. But I mean, even in the first 10 minutes, they have zero mention of Sapphire or optical genome mapping. It's like, why? Why have you not? Oh, man. What's really sad is that they have almost 50K subs. I know. I know. All right, hold on. Let me do that. Let me do that. You asked what Sapphire means. Hold on. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, here it is. Yes, I know what it does and how it helps, but first show me that you can make continuous money and grow and don't issue that many shares, and then we can talk. I can show you how women. Okay, hold on. I got a question for these guys. Yes, I know what it does and how it helps, but first show me that you can make continuous money and grow with the Sapphire. Okay, I'll do that right now. Okay, let me go to my discounted cash flow model by not mine. I wish I made this. This is for Ragnaros's, right? Discounted cash flow model. This is how, bitch. Come on, man. I mean, if we're gonna hit our 10,000 Sapphires installed goal, we're gonna get 1.8 billion in revenue. That's actually no. If we're gonna get 10,000, sorry, excuse me, we're gonna get 900 million. Okay, so 11,000 Sapphires installed, and this is remember, this is extremely conservative, right? We already know the OPEX projections here are way overshooting it, right? But 900 million, right? This tab right here, 2029. Okay, 900 million in net income with an OPEX growth of 65%. Your compound annual growth rate for OPEXs are 65%, and you're telling me, and the CFO has already confirmed it's 20 to 40%, not 65%. So you're telling me that this is, I mean, that's how. Here, let me give this guy a link. Here. I don't want to be disrespectful. I'm just gonna go ahead and send the link. Can you explain in 3 sentences how? Look at this. Can you explain in 3 sentences how Sapphire works? I think it is important to understand exactly what the product does. Exactly, man. Exactly. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. What was that freaking thing that Mythical Physics just said? He just said we were going to 8% down flash crash in the next 5 minutes. He said that like 10 minutes ago, bro. We're not even down. We're down not even 1%. Are you going to admit you were wrong? Or are you going to ignore it like usual? I hate the Bears. Dude, the Bears are, oh my gosh. It's our job as the Bulls, though, as the voices of reason almost, to just chill out and not freaking play into the freaking chaos that the Bears and the FUD that they're trying to create, honestly. I mean, let's be honest. I mean, come on. What kind of prediction is that? 8% down in 5 minutes? What kind of prediction is that, okay? You know it's FUD. Oh, man. Yep, this is not. Oh my gosh. 8 pillars? Does it include, does the nano nozzle or Sapphire review, is that included in your 8 pillars? Because I guess it's not. Oh man. Yeah, I say we do a freaking video reacting to this whole thing because it got traction, right? I say we do it. That'd be fun, dude. That'd be fun. I think you guys would laugh at my reactions when I'm watching it because when I was editing the video yesterday, it took me forever I was doing it for like freaking 2 hours or so. I was messing up left and right yesterday, but when I was reacting to it, oh my gosh, my face, I wasn't looking. Well, actually, I was looking at my face because I can't see it because of my phone, but. I did look so pissed off. I think you guys are really running right now, and Bionano doing the exact opposite. Very weird behavior. Dude, that's insane, actually. That's the first time that's happened in a while. UVXY is down big. The NASDAQ, man, everything is up today. Bionano is getting killed, though. Very interesting, very interesting. Would not be surprised if we close way higher than we are now. Yeah, no, Wi-Fi just screwed up. Yeah, sorry, my bad. Yeah, we have a W forming, though. Yeah, a little bit of a double bottom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bullish chart pattern, double bottom forming on the 1 minute. Let me get some indicators pulled up for once. I never have the indicators pulled up because I always am dumb. Oh my gosh. All right. Yeah, yeah, let's get it back on the 1 minute so we can actually not get our hopes and dreams destroyed. No, I'm kidding. Short term obviously doesn't matter, but still, 5 minute is bearish. Still, does not matter long term or mid term. It does not mean we're going to see $6 or $8. Okay, don't get mad at me. I'm just calling it how it is short term based on what the indicators are saying. They can be wrong, remember. All right. Yeah, man, my technicals are hit and miss. Calls predictions, but my fundamental analysis is an unbreakable truth. Mythical Physics, please tell me your fundamental analysis and why you don't think the Sapphire is going to get 10,000 units installed. Why do you think the nano nozzle is not going to happen? We've got freaking jobs that have been. We've got hirings that are literally under the requirements are literally the exact same technology and jargon and esoteric stuff that is literally listed in the patents about nano nozzle. Their skepticism BNGO is not the biggest problem. They do it in such a hateful way. That's my biggest problem. Why attack you? I know. I guess they were attacking. Well, I don't know if they were attacking me though. Yes, I have pimples. Yes, I'm in college. Yes, like all right. I guess if they called pimply teens, I don't know if they're referring to me, but if they are, dude, I mean, damn if they are. Not only are they giving Bionano no fair chance, not only are they not being innocuous or respectful or professional in any way, but also freaking bashing other YouTubers for what? For what? For what? Auspicious state of the Sapphire address. Where's the manifesto, bro? Man. You should take it personally. Yeah, I pretty much do. Yeah, I get pissed off. You guys know I get pissed off very easily, and yeah, I'm pissed off about this. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me, man? I mean, these guys. Oh, don't even get me started. We already talked about this. Don't get me started. Fallacy composition. I go to jury, bro. Jury. You're not gonna know it. It's not really that small of a town, but I'm sure no one knows it. Right. But yeah, I mean, that just shows you. I mean, hey guys, and oh yeah, the biggest critique, if y'all didn't see this video, this Bionano Bear video that we saw that came out yesterday, the biggest problem with them is that they make a funny joke. They really do. They are. I mean, yes, they're pretty. I mean, I don't really like them in any way, but there are a couple funny little parts in there. And the best funny part that they did was, at least I thought, was when they said the guy said they went up $500 million yesterday because they hired a guy. And obviously he has no idea about the Sapphire adoptions, the China Sapphire adoptions, hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue, has no clue about that, has no idea about the Russell 3000 inclusion, has no idea that we just broke the downtrend for a while, we're bullish territory, no idea that high growth is running, genomic sector is running. It's like, no, we didn't go up $500 million in a day for one reason. And also, I hate to break it to you guys, but guess what? A company is not what the true value is of the company all the time, man. Guess what? Short-term investors and traders determine what they think the company is worth short-term. Even long-term a little bit, right? But at the end of the day, it's hard to, value a company at $5 when they're making, or value them at a $2 billion market cap when we're getting compound annual growth rates of, 50%, 100%, 200% of Sapphires installed, revenue, net income. It's hard to do that. So that's kind of why it's impossible to perpetually do that. That's why we believe that the fundamentals will prevail. Because they just do. If they're good, if they're going to increase, then the stock price is going to increase in the aggregate, right? That's as simple as it gets. All right. If you even know half of BNGO current events since the start of this year, you would be bullish as hell. Yeah, I know. Bearish simply don't do any digging or critical thinking when it comes to investing in BNGO. Yeah, that's the thing. No bears know about any of the events that happened. Yeah, no, I really don't think. And for everyone out there that's reading the chats, right? Mythical Physics is claiming to be a big bear, claiming he's knows everything, dogmatic. He knows he's the god. He knows what's gonna happen, right? He said his fundamental analysis never fails, right? He thinks he's omnipotent, right? That's a narcissist sign, right? He has been claiming to know this manifesto for, I mean, it's more than a month at this point, I think, and he's never said anything about the company. I don't think he has good questions sometimes, but he never has good points about the bearish shit that he claims to think. But so I want to make everyone clear that no, this guy is not serious, and he's never said a good point about having a bearish thesis on Bionano, not one that I know of. So He can be right. Anyone can be right. But at the end of the day, you know, we've seen nothing to make us think this guy is not just a FUD spreader, bear, short position, commitments already made, right? You know what I mean? So the confession regarding his specific underperformance was telling. Value investor equals golf pro. Dude, you can't look at just the financials and the shares outstanding and say it's a bad company. I mean, what the hell? You can't. I mean, come on, man. You cannot just not even anything about the product or genome mapping or optical genome mapping. I mean, I don't know. When is that manifesto coming, man? You've been typing it up for months now. I know. All right. Hi, Rangers. Okay. Are we good now? Okay. Finally, we're back to good, I think. No, not really. Right. Okay, I think we're good now, maybe. Okay, yes, we're good. We're good. Finally. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, feel free to click off because of the Wi-Fi. I don't know what to say. The Wi-Fi is absolutely horrible. I have an Ethernet cable on the way. Yeah, this is when you click on this channel, you're getting basically a hillbilly trailer park Wi-Fi, essentially. We are green now, and the Bears are going. And I want to tell everybody something, okay? Mythical physics, right? No disrespect to mythical physics, but this is what when I was saying earlier that the Bears have made like 1,000 predictions that are horrible. My prediction for Friday is 570. After huge run-ups, there tends to be same sentiment in opposite direction. Mythical physics. This is not the only post that he's made that's wrong. This is not it. Try repositioning your router. I've tried that. It's right next to me. Well, not right next, but it's like 10. It's 5 feet. It's literally actually it's probably like 2 feet away. But it's across a wall. It's like wall. It's a room away, but it's like literally 5 feet away. But yeah, mythical physics, man. Man, we were having good Wi-Fi day overall. But yeah, and oh man. Yeah. What is this, Brandon? Why are you so bad? I know. I know. Yeah, but dude, look at this. I mean, come on, mythical physics. Where are you? Mythical physics. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, can you admit that you were wrong for once? Can you admit that this prediction was horrible? And if people would have listened to you, they would have lost a ton of money. And of course, like you know, lost a ton of money. Okay. When you are on red days, what do you have to do? You have to remind yourself that no bear is pulling. No bear is pulling this amount of money if they're a bear on BNGO. You have to remind yourself that. And I don't do that to brag. I don't. I just need to show you guys. You have to be careful. To the free, you need a lamp on, lamp off. I can do this. I can do that. Makeshift lamp. You can't see it, but you can see the light, right? So I don't know. Oh man. If you did start a war with these guys and it gets heated, it could be great publicity for BNGO. Your rebuttals can spread the truth like you are doing now, and people will start to research. Dude, I say yes. Yes. Yeah, a room away. It is a room away. Yeah, I say we start a war with these guys. I say I make a video saying everything money is full of shit. Honestly, I say screw. I mean, I'll say at the start, like, I don't do this in means to pick on them or make fun of them, but at the end of the day, I'm here to give my opinions on this shit, and I think these guys are talking out of their ass. To be honest with you, that's as simple as it gets. To be honest with you, I mean, there's no reason to sugarcoat it when they call the BNGO investors pimply teens. I mean, come on, you've already started the war. We might as well end it, right? Screw it, man. You need to wear an even larger hat. This one helps, but sometimes lags. Beautiful cup and handle, Nano's mentioned. Yeah, Nano is running today, and Bionano is not. Yeah, a little bit, but there's not really a handle, though. But yeah. Look at that volume pump right there. ARC, probably. Damn ARC, man. Damn ARC. We'll see if BNGO corrects up to Nano Dimension or if Nano Dimension corrects down. Or if there's no tether today. We'll see. Yeah, I say screw it. Yeah, I mean, these guys have already started. I mean, if you're going to be disrespectful, if you're going to be ignorant and neglect a ton of things about a company and call the freaking investors pimply teens and make this whole shit, I feel like it warrants me being a little bit, I don't know, raw. I mean, you already know this channel we don't really do the whole Meet Kevin kind of cleanness. No cussing, no I don't know, like, it's not like a TV show, you're literally just getting me just unfiltered, you know what I mean? So, and obviously you get bad Wi-Fi as well. so you get both, right? You get the good stuff, you get the unfiltered, but you also get the crap. But that's gonna increase. That's gonna get better once we get the Ethernet cable. We're getting a camera. We're gonna PC one of these days. We're gonna get freaking Ortex data. I'm gonna get that subscription coming in sometime. And we're going to get a better mic, although this mic is pretty sweet, right? That's the one thing this channel always has good. Well, I guess not always, but pretty much always. The audio, that's the one thing we have, right? That's the one thing we have. Oh, man, as far as quality. How do you not take donations in Patreon? Yeah, I just ended the Patreon. Because it was time that I didn't want to spend, and it wasn't, I feel like I'm going to basically do the same thing Patreon, but I'm going to do it on YouTube, basically. Like, the join thing on the channel, this thing that you can do, right? The, what do you call it? This thing right here, join, right? This. I'm going to do another perk here. That's actually going to be really cool. I think it's going to be really cool. Like, it's nothing special. I'm going to be honest, it's nothing special. I'm going to say it, but yeah, that's why. But yeah, dude, let's start a war. Let's start a war. I'm starting a war. Unless somebody tells me a reason why we should not start basically a pretty damn clear, overt war with everything money. Tell me now or forever hold your peace, basically. It's time to go to war. Mike is good. It's good, not great. They mentioned no technical analysis whatsoever. They're bringing it on themselves. Yeah, let's destroy those herbs. Yeah, peasants. Off with their heads. When you play the game of stonks, you die, or you win, or a hedge fund dies. There is no middle ground. These guys, I wouldn't be honestly, guys. This is speculative. This is conspiracy light. But dude, unless these guys are just literally, they got their heads so far up the ass, they cannot see the truth, cannot understand the product, Sapphire. Unless that is happening, which certainly could be. But the only other explanation is that these guys are freaking getting paid off to do this, or that they already hold short positions or puts on Bionano. I mean, that would just only. I mean, who knows? Who knows? Okay, it could easily just be they are stupid, or in my opinion at least. But all right. Okay, Brandon, I just watched that video and now I'm pissed. It's war, bro. Yeah, I know it is, dude. I mean, it is. It is wartime. Let's be honest. All right, I'm gonna do it this weekend. This weekend, I'm gonna watch that whole thing. Release the lions. How did you learn technical analysis charts? By trial and error. Well, first-hand experience, videos, articles, websites. I mean, I'm just like you guys. I'm just like you guys. Literally. I mean, I'm not a freaking financial advisor. I'm not a freaking. I'm not a Wall Street analyst. All right. I'm literally just a guy that's had success and plenty of failures as well, and I'm a bull on BNGO. That's as simple as it gets, man. It's as simple as it gets. You must do reaction to other people's BNGO analysis. Yes, I will, my friend. Thank you for the donation. I will definitely do that now. I mean, I already. Yeah, we're definitely doing that. We're definitely doing that. Send me, guys. Email me that. You know what? Should we just make a channel? You know what? All right, let's just make it. Well, you know what? Never mind. That's a bad idea. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'll think of something good I could name. But dude, I'm gonna make the freaking reaction video of that. The reaction video, and the video is gonna be that everything money crap. That's what we're gonna do. They work for Citadel. Yeah, they do. Release the Kraken. Release the Kraken. I was gonna say something about their dumb thumbnails, but I thought about yours yesterday. Come on, it's funny. Come on. I mean, sure, it is dumb. I mean, yes, that's totally true, but come on. Oh no, Wi-Fi wasn't working there for a second. Come on, it's funny. Look at this. Come on, y'all. I did it for y'all. I did it midstream. Come on. It's too funny. It's too funny, man. They only look at the numbers. Yeah, I know. They don't do anything else. Fallacy of composition. Looking at a part of and applying it to the whole. It's as simple as it is. Later on, you can make a reaction video of your reaction videos. Yeah, it's just a never-ending cycle. At the end of the day, I'm literally just sitting here, just looking at the camera, just not even saying anything, because there's nothing to say. Just pick your favorite indicators based on your style of trading and on the time frame you're looking at. Yeah, it's time to go to war. Time to go to war. They say every growth stock is bad because no growth stocks have earnings. That's why they're growth stocks. That's what these guys don't understand. These stocks are valued at the way they are because they are in the early stages of the business without much revenue, literally. Support level for BNGO. Well, 750 is obviously going to be a natural level. Besides that, there's really not many. There's not many. I mean, let me see if there's a moving average here. No, there's really not. Let me look at the 4 hourly. Oh, yeah. Well, not really. Yeah, there's really not any short-term supports besides 750, which is going to be natural level. Actually, no. Well, okay, yeah, this right here, 757, and yeah, okay, so 757 today. 757 today is going to be support based on this descending level of resistance that we have broken out of, which is very good to see. You already know the Auspicious Army accounts for 90% of their thumbs down. Yeah, the fellowship of the Sapphire is. Yeah, I know. I know. Dude, let me tell you something. This video, it had 30 dislikes. It had 30 dislikes yesterday, and now it has 200. Yeah, Nano Dimension is doing very well. Yep. Yeah, and we were talking about earlier. Is the correlation going to be done for today between NNDM and BNGO, or is it going to be Nano Dimension correcting down to BNGO's level, or BNGO correcting up to their level? What is it going to be? It's got to be one of the three. Shorts are trying to take the stops out. Yeah, they're trying to get them. They're trying to, yeah. It's all part of the game. They see that they see the stocks that have high volume and a lot of followers. They go on and make a video to get people to watch them. Percentage game. They pick up followers. Yeah, I know. Dude, I say we start a freaking. I mean, I'm talking like the title is like everything money. I don't know, something very strong and something very clearly against these guys. Like seriously. And what I would love to do. Oh my gosh, they have a Patreon. Oh my gosh, they have affiliate links for the intelligent investor. Honestly, that's not a bad idea. I should do that as well, to be honest with you. But man, of course they would do that. Of course they would do that. Oh man, yeah, we're gonna do a war, and I would love to do. You know what we should do? We should do a freaking interview with these guys. We should do an interview, a live stream interview, some sort of collaboration. I don't know how that would work, but yeah, we would just do that, and it'd be good. Yeah. Oh gosh. All right, I'm done giving these guys attention. But we are going to give them a lot of attention here soon. We're going to make a freaking war. Two weeks left to BNGO over 350. What? Wall Street bets and BNGO. Here we go. Is this the one that we already have? Did y'all upload this already? Did y'all upload this or not? This just came out. New Wall Street Bets post, man. Dude, what do you mean Neo is saving your portfolio for me in red? We're green right now. If you average down on the dip, you're up like 30% right now, bro. I know you're up like 60% or 70% if you average down on the dip. I have a pretty bad average price compared to a lot of you. And I know y'all are green because I'm freaking more green than any of the bears have ever been in their life. Okay? So I don't want any complaining about, oh, Bionano is taking 1 step forward, 5 steps back. No, it's just not true. Just look at the daily chart. Just look at the daily chart. If you would have told me we're above $7 or even $6 on May 13th, I would have been so happy. It would have been blissful for all of us. And nowadays, everyone's so greedy they cannot freaking zoom out and see, oh my gosh, wow, I should have done my research and bought the dip. Damn it. All right, I'm going to do that in the future. Yes, do it in the future so you don't miss out on future profits and, well, potential profits. Okay, history is not indicative of the future, yada, yada. You know the deal. But if you do your research and if you have conviction, if you have what it takes to be a part of the Fellowship of the Sapphire, you can do great things. I mean, we've proved that with this channel, and I know so many of you have. But at the same time, right, if it's not for you, there's plenty of people that are in this community right now that will not make it till the end. There's plenty of people that will give up, that will say it's not for me, and they will cut losses and they will say it's over. I'm packing in the bags. I was wrong on BNGO / or I'm not willing to do this. It's not for me. Do your research. Do whatever you can. See if it's for you. If you're already in the game, if you're already in the freaking stock, you might as well do your research. I have all the resources for you on this channel alone. Okay, not all. You need to do some other research, but pretty much, I mean, not really, honestly. If you just look at the due diligence, I mean, you pretty much have everything you freaking need. Let's be honest. Let's be honest, man. So, also, oh, man, we need to go to the freaking, what do you call it? Oh, yeah. Yeah, here we go. I got this partly, and this is credit to Deo, one of the other BNGO YouTubers. Credit to him. Thank you to him, man. He found some great freaking... This is great work by him. He has kept track, and I have not fact-checked all this work. I fact-checked some of it, but not all of it. 5 quarter 2 installations. So basically, you get these 5 installations that are likely to have been shipped out during quarter 2, that are likely to have been sales, and you also have those 3 China Sapphire adoptions, which are 3 more sales, right? You times 8 times 150K, which is, the number of Sapphires, which is 8, that have been sold this quarter, times the average price, which is, at minimum 150K, but they've been going for, 500K. I mean, they've been going for much more. Okay, 200K, 500K, 700K, right? All the other things you have to buy with it. For some reason, China's paying way more for 1 Sapphire than you should be. I still don't understand that. No one has explained that to me. I don't think anyone understands it, frankly. But basically, you get a case to be made. And I was doing this. I was working on a Reddit post last night, and it was really good. And I'm dumb, and I didn't save it because I'm stupid. And so I'm gonna have to do that again tonight. But basically, quarter 2 revenue. I haven't done my projections yet, but basically, we're gonna get 4, 5, 6, 7 million in revenue. We're gonna beat revenue estimates unless they're like, we're gonna get 5 million in revenue most likely. Probably, okay, or not, right? Lineage. We don't know if Lineage had a good quarter. We don't know if the consumables have a good quarter, right? Are the labs doing high volume? We don't know. But from the sales aspect, there's way more sales this quarter than typically, probably based on what we're seeing. Okay, here we go. So this is a great question, guys. This is a great question. So Russell 3000 inclusion for Bionano, right? When is it happening? So I've had a video on this, and I've also had Reddit posts on this. I've talked about this many times, but I understand not everyone can see it. So to be clear, Russell 3000 has added BNGO. The buying of BNGO shares by the Russell 3000 index and the funds that track it, not necessarily the funds that track it, but the Russell 3000 itself, they are buying BNGO at the close on June 25th, according to an article. And I can show you my source for that if you want, but that's pretty much what it is. June 25th is when the Russell 3000 should be buying millions of BNGO shares, or at least hundreds of thousands at minimum, probably honestly tens of millions. Probably tens of millions of dollars. So that's when it is, June 25th, to be clear for everybody. Brandon, how close are we to bounce off that moving average we've been talking about? We're not that close. We need to consolidate for a few more days or maybe even weeks. We need, right now it's at 634. The price is at 764. But the thing is, this band goes up about 10, 15 cents every day, right? So if we can just go, what do we need? We need about about 2 more trading weeks for that to catch up where we are right now, ish. So we need to consolidate for another 2-ish weeks. Yeah, ish. until we get a bounce off that, unless it starts climbing more than 10-15 cents a day, which could happen, probably not, but I guess it could theoretically happen. So yeah, and remember, we don't have to bounce off this. We could easily break $10 next week without bouncing off this, right? Remember, we don't need it, but that would be nice. That would be bullish once we get the bounce and start breaking stuff. That would be nice. All right. Okay, what is the likelihood of catching a bid from PKI? I'm not sure. Title, revenue is what people need to hear about. 4,300 at 14.15, not complaining, holding strong. Dude, you are legendary if you are freaking holding the bat. I mean, that sucks that you're holding the bat there. I feel your pain. I can relate very much. But, dude, you are a legend for freaking not panicking and having your conviction. That means that, now, I don't know if you know what you're doing. I don't know if you're a beginner. I don't know what the hell. But that just tells me that what your research that you've done, you're extremely confident in. And people that do that, and remember, mark my words right now, the greatest investors of all time, right? To quote Everything Money, right? They always say, oh, the greatest investors of all time, right? That's all they say. That's all they say. Warren Buffett says this, and then, that applies to everything. Fallacy of competition. Now, there is some wisdom to be learned from that, right? Warren Buffett you can learn a lot from him. Now, of course, is that one investing strategy the only way? Hell no. You better bet your ass that it is not. Okay, Kathy Wood has proved that, and plenty of other people have proved that. Now, what you do need to know is that the greatest investors of all time, all of them are very confident in their own research, and they're able to hold through downtrends. All right, try to find a great investor that has not held the bag countless times and held through till the promised land. Okay, so although $14 average for Bionano looks horrible right now, if our research is correct, it's I don't have to tell you what's going to happen next. That sounds too freaking bullish, man, but be cautiously optimistic. Understand that I'm biased. Understand, do your own research, yada yada. You know the freaking spiel. Oh, I hate doing the spiel. End of day price, there is no target end of day price. Honestly, I do think $8 is honestly. I think we're going to close way closer to $8 than we are right now. For the simple fact, for a couple reasons. All right, number one, Nano Dimension's running. Number two, high growth is not doing bad. Number three, what the heck? Dude, what is this? All of the markets are going down and high growth is going up. Dude, what is happening today? I swear to God, this is the weirdest week of investing that we've ever had. The stream quality, Wi-Fi has been horrible. Audio's been horrible. We've had stream technical difficulties because I'm stupid. We've had Wall Street Bets censoring us. We've had a video from Everything Money saying we're bearish. We've had the new CCO. We've had freaking crazy gains. We've had some losses. We've had bears coming in right after we stopped mooning, and then they're saying, oh, we're going to go back to 6. Oh, oh my God, I'm sorry. We have too much fun on the stream, so. We have too much fun on the streams, though. And my point is, there is a point to this long-ass rant, but basically, it's been a weird week, man. It's been, and to cap it all off, today, we have high growth inversely correlated with the freaking broader markets. What the heck is this? What the heck is this? Also, speaking of Clove, finally, Clove is doing something. Getting close to my cost average, finally. There we go. See, all right, guys. There we go. We're getting close to the freaking cost average. This is play money, but we're getting close. 7% in the green right now, man. Holy crap. Wow. Just like that. That's why you don't panic sell, man. And, of course, anything can happen, but yeah, that's why you don't panic sell. Discord. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Go, go, go. Everybody go. Go, 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 go. Get it, get it, get it. I'm gonna freaking log out. I'm gonna go and freaking comment. Hold on, let me see if I can comment now if they unban me. I bet they didn't. Let me upvote all the comments, and then I'm going to go to my other account. Yes, this is so good. This is so good. This is so good. Everybody go. I don't care. If you're on mobile, I don't care. Freaking in the stream real quick. Get out of here, and then freaking, what do you call it? Upvote this crap, man. Do what you can. Do what you can. It's a net positive for the stock, man. It's a net positive for the stock. Go, 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 boys, go. Go. And then, all right, here we go. NNDM to the moon. Here we go. I love commenting like an ape. It's too fun. I love it, man. I love it. Too many words, F it to the moon. I love it. It's too good. It's too good. It's too good. All right, here we go. Let me log in over here. When you get excited, my money goes, yeah, baby, yes. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Yeah, take that, Bears. Take that, Bears. What do you have to say to this, Bears? Nothing. Nothing. You better bet your ass that's nothing. Here we go. All right, let me go ahead and pin this real quick. There we go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. All right, here we go. Let me also go ahead and post this to Twitter real quick. Thank you, good sir. And hold on a second. You reached out to a mod. Hold on a second. You reached out to a Wall Street Bet mod who approved my consolidated DD post. How? Can you send me the link to what Wall Street Bet mod you were chatting with, or did you just do the message the mod thing? Because I tried this about 1,000 times and they don't care. I love our community. Our community is too good, man. You gotta admit, even if you're a bear on BNGO, right? This is what makes the Bears. This is what makes the Bears keep coming back. Do you guys ever noticed why? Have you ever wondered why the Bears keep coming to this channel? It's because that community. I mean, okay, FUD, yes, whatever. The community is so freaking irreplicable, though, man. Our community is one of a kind. You cannot deny that, man. We have a community unlike any other, and it's not because of me. I'm not trying to be arrogant. I'm not trying to be narcissistic, but it's because of y'all. It's because of y'all, man. That's why. All right, here we go. Let's fight. I love it. It's too funny. We have too much fun. I don't care how many technical difficulties we have on the streams. It's too fun. We have too much fun here, man. It's too good. Come on, man. You can't deny. You can't deny the energy that we have here, man. Come on. And just like that, I jinxed us, and now we're down almost. We're almost down. Just like that, man. Let's go. Let's go. We don't care. We don't care. Check one more post. We got one more. Yeah, I already knew about this one. This one hasn't done well, though. This one, for some reason, no one likes this one. I don't know why. Yeah, this one, I posted this in the chat twice, and we're not getting any more upvotes. I'm very confused. Very confused. Wall Street Bets, LFG, man. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Come on, man. How do you not love it? Come on. Also, let me go ahead and do the, what do you call it? Let me go to the, tell you what, let me go to the Fellowship of the Sapphire here. You know what? No, that's too much. That's not a high quality post. You know what? Never mind. Let's go, man. Let's go. Skin the Bears. We got the Bulls. Wait, what? We got the Bulls by the Bulls? What? Wait, I think you meant the other way around. What? Skin the Bears. Skin the Bears. Let's go. Let's go. 13,000 just bought 771 at the ask, and remember the green ones are buys that help the price go up, meaning that they're buying at the ask as opposed to the bid, right? The red ones are the ones that are helping the price go down, otherwise known as buying or selling at the bid. All right, or technically buying at the bid, I guess you could say. I don't know. It's a little bit complicated, but yeah, to my understanding, according to an article, right? Okay. Right. Lightning commented, yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We got, oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, I love you guys. We already got awards coming in. That's beauty. That's beauty. I'd like to thank you. I love it. I love it, man. Wholesome award. I love it. Yo, I wish I could give awards. I have 250 coins. I'm still waiting to give these away. Look how freaking long this post is, man. And I already read most of this. It's freaking beauty. It's freaking beauty, man. Helping me share my first post on Wall Street Bets. I hope this helps new members find and lead to additional due diligence that can be shared with. Oh, yes. Yes, screw the short squeeze, man. Dude, I mean, not screw, okay? There is still a chance. We still want to increase knowledge of that. But also, dude, the due diligence is, at the end of the day, the Wall Street Bet stuff is great. I've gone into great detail, like with 1,000 different people on streams, videos, and comments, and Discord yesterday even. Wall Street Bets is a net positive, but due diligence awareness, dude, there's nothing else I can ask for, man. Y'all doing, dude, look at this. She's already got in all in, bitches. Put all your bags in. I love it. You gotta freaking leave it uncensored though for Wall Street Bets. But yeah, that's awesome though. That's awesome. I'm not complaining. That's awesome. Too many words to the moon. I love it. That's too good. Pretty much saying moon ape is in. Yes, sir. Yes, I love it too. All the comments here. Fellowship of the Sapphire, LFG to the moon. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, we have our own freaking, yes. Yes, Fellowship of the Sapphire. Let's go. Speaking of Fellowship of the Sapphire, look at the freaking memes that we have. Dude, the memes are too good. Oh, wow. We're up at 774 right now. 774 right now. Let me check those indicators here. Let me check the 1 minute. Oh, we just got the bullish flip. Just got the bullish flip on the 1 minute. I love it. Let's check the 5 minute. 5 minute. All right, here we go. We need to get the flip to the SAR to bullish. We're getting rejected right now. We need to flip that to bullish before we continue running. Getting rejected. Getting rejected. Not. I wouldn't be surprised if we break this right now, to be honest with you. Would not be surprised. Dude, what is the coincidence? I know this is a coincidence, but dude, what is the chances? Dude, we just started running right when that post was made. I know it's a coincidence. No one has even seen it yet, but man. Dude, oh man. I can't even. We're gonna look at I want to show y'all some memes about me and the Fellowship of the Sapphire and some funny memes here in a second, but right now we gotta watch the price action. Make sure your posts and comments there are not too freaking pumpy or bot-like, right? Just say something original. You have to say something original because there are already plenty of Wall Street Bet apes that think that Bionano has bots working for us, and we don't, right? If you are using bots for Bionano, I don't know how the hell you do that. I'm not a genius. I don't understand how you can program bots to go and comment stuff on there. If you are doing that, though, please stop. It's not even... I understand that you want BNGO to go to the moon and you're doing everything that you can, but it's corrupt, it's evil, and it's not even good. It's actually just a net negative for the company and the stock, really. So don't do the bot stuff. So anyways, yeah, and also make sure your comments are original if you're gonna go there. Our chart is mirroring AMC. Really? No, what the? No. Hold on. Yeah, a little bit. I see what you mean. AMC just got the bullish flip. However, BNGO did not. BNGO is getting rejected right now at the SAR on the 5-minute. Damn it. John Mack, I appreciate that. Them rockets, I love the rockets. When you guys put rockets in the chat, it gets me too hyped. You're gonna make me freaking scream. If you don't want ear rape, don't do it. Oh man, let's get above the opening price. Yeah, the opening price, that would be nice, wouldn't it? That would be really nice. Dude, let's check this upvotes. I need this to get 1,000 freaking upvotes. Hold on, let me go to the... Hold on. And let me go back to it. 59 upvotes! Oh, wait, no, that's that... Okay, that's that one. No, not that one. This one. This is the good one. This is the good one. I mean, that's a good one, too. That's great. I love that. That's awesome. But this one is going to be, I think, better, maybe. Here's the thing. No one can dispute this stuff. No one can dispute this stuff. We've never heard a bear argument. That's good. That's incoherent at all. Your mom gay. Legendary comment. Auspicious if you're reading that your mom gay. Upvote. Great DD. Simple to read and understand. Good job. Yes, it is. 2-on didn't read BNGO to the moon. Oh yeah, did you have a 2-on didn't read section in here? Oh, you did. BNGO is a great opportunity for investors long term who want to support a global life-saving company. Dude, I love that. Man, thank you whoever did this, man. Can I give you this guy here? This guy's awesome. Let me put this in the freaking chat to give him some love, man. That's awesome. That's absolutely awesome. Yeah. Auspicious dissenT. I registered my first Reddit account for this lol. That is awesome. Dude, this is why we're the best community. I mean, you can't dispute it. All right, say what you want about BNGO if you don't like it short-term, long-term, whatever, okay? I disagree with you. We can get into the debates on that later. But, dude, you cannot deny we have something special here. We really do. We have something special here. And as I say that, we're dumping. No worries in the 5-minute. The hourly is looking better with the MACD indicating a possible reversal of current downtrend. What we need is a day where the close is above the open. I would love a let me see the hourly here. We don't. Okay, well, here's the thing. We're getting conflicting indicators on the Supertrend and SAR. Let me check the stochastic indicator here. Still bearish territory there. Bearish. Bearish, barely. Just got the bearish flip there. And, oh, here you go. Dude, we're seeing divergence. We got divergence. Hold on. Yes, we have divergence. We have a bullish... I don't want to get y'all too hyped up now. This could be totally wrong. Okay, this is an indicator that I'm actually new. I'm actually not that experienced with using this indicator, but I really love the indicator, and it's awesome. Okay, so the stochastic indicator, right? We're getting... Well, kind of. We're basically getting a bullish divergence, which basically just means when an indicator will go up or bullish or bearish or whatever, and the price action will do the opposite, right? So in this example, right, price action is going sideways / going down. Yet, just on yesterday or today in the pre-market, you got a bullish crossover, right, with the K line crossing over the D line. Otherwise, the blue line crossing above the orange line. This is on the 4-hourly chart. Remember, the 4-hourly and the daily, those are my favorite charts and the most important ones. That is a bullish signal, but also you have to watch here. Okay, we're about to get we're about to get the bearish flip again, right? The K line is only like 1 point or 1 unit above the freaking D line, so we got to stay. We can't dump, or we're going to lose that. But that is a bullish divergence right there. That's as simple as it gets. The daily is so weird. The daily has been so inaccurate. The daily, you got to sell sit on the daily all the way over here. That's why you got to look at multiple indicators. You got to pair multiple. If you look at the weekly, you're in bullish territory, obviously, right? Oh man, yes. We need more karma. Yes, sir, we do. We need more exposure. Short term, we're still getting rejected. It's all right, though. We got the bullish flip on the 1 minute. Oh, never mind. We just had the bearish on the 1 minute. Well, we're still bullish on the super trend. You got to be optimistic, man. You got to be optimistic. Oh, let's see this. Let's see. I want to see more rewards if y'all can. I don't spend money. No, please don't. Please don't spend your own money. That would otherwise be BNGO shares buying, maybe, into buying Reddit coins. No, but if you have any coins from like previous posts, it's time. Maybe. Consider it. All right. Yeah. Yes, just compare about what's happening on the stochastic 4 hourly. Yeah, all right, let's do that. Yeah, the start of the run. Look at it, man. Yeah, the start of the run. Here you go. All the way back on May 13th. What happened, right? May 13th. Bullish flip. Right? That's just what happened. That's as simple as it gets. Now, guess what, guys? We are as oversold on the stochastic indicator on the 4 hourly right now as we were all the way back when we were at $4. And $4, that was a buy signal. Nowadays, even when we were right here, getting killed right here, we still weren't as oversold as we are now. We are below the 20s, which is oversold on the stochastic indicator, right? That's as simple as it gets. If you don't understand the stochastic indicator, it's actually extremely simple. Yeah, it is. It's basically an RSI and a MACD in one, which is why it's so awesome. Because I don't have to use the MACD anymore. I mean, the MACD is cool too, but I don't like the MACD. I actually really don't like the MACD, to be honest with you. But yeah, dumping right now. We just got the flip on the 1 minute. Yeah, we just got it. That's a sell signal on the 1 minute, but that's only the 1 minute. What matters, it's honestly, it's way more important that we get a bullish close, or not a close necessarily. Jay was saying we need a bullish close, which Jay is very knowledgeable, or whoever said that, I forgot the name, but I think it's Jay. But anyways, we need some bullish price action in power hour, right, to signal that traders are betting on next week being good, as they should, right? If you look at the indicators, I didn't even look at this yesterday. We didn't really do technical analysis yesterday, because I didn't really have much time yesterday to do it. I wish I did. We don't have time to go over all the indicators, but I just found this out. I'm as surprised. I didn't know about the stochastic bullish divergence before I looked at this, right? And now we have it, and that's a buy signal. Okay, now, does that mean we're going to go to $10 next week or even $8? No, not necessarily, but that is one indicator on one time frame that is a buy signal. If you look at the daily, you're still in bearish territory on the stochastic indicator. Okay, if you look at the weekly, we're good. All right, so take it with a grain of salt. You guys know the spiel. I'm not going to give you the spiel right now again, but there you go. That's as simple as it gets, man. That's as simple as it gets. Yes, sir. We got the Wall Street Bet traction. We've got a post that is up. And hey, let me know. Whoever posted this, this guy right here, 19. Please tell me how you actually got this freaking done, man. How did you actually get this? How did you get the mods to approve it? I messaged them over 5 times. They removed all my stuff. It's beauty, though. We just need that Reddit post to brew nicely during the weekends, and Monday will be Gucci. Also, by the way, a direct mod? What do you mean? Like, I messaged, what's his name? If we go to my chats here, I messaged this guy. I chatted with this guy right here. Dark Bite. This is a mod of Wall Street Bets. I've been banned. I do not understand why. Like, I don't understand. And then I also did the mods there. What do you mean direct mod? Like, can you give me a link to a direct mod? Or something? Dude, it would be... if they unban me, it's going to be over. It's absolutely over. Let me tell you about my manifesto 570 by Friday. Oh, man. That's a joke about, what do you call it? Manifesting. Oh, man, it's too funny. It's too funny. Oh man, it's a sign that BNGO may be on the next batch of tickers Wall Street Bets pushes. Yes, it is. It's a sign. It's an early sign. We've tried this about 1,000 times. We're gonna need way more freaking posts than just that. We're gonna need everybody to do their part. But yeah, right now we're freaking. Where are we? I don't even. Where are we? Where? Did we move down again? Yeah, I think we did. Yeah, we moved down again. I think, or did we move up? We were no, we moved up. Okay, no, BNGO moved up. Yeah, BNGO moved up. I think. Yeah. Barely. Basically the same. I mean, by like a few mentions. Once these mentions get counts, though, it gets counted. It's over. I mean, it's over. We're gonna be way higher. It's not over. I shouldn't say it's not over, but you know what I mean. Well, I don't know. I think, yeah, you've been with the community for a while, so I'll go ahead and give you a sub. I wasn't sure if you were here. You know what? I didn't know if you were in the community or not. I didn't know if you were just in here just trying to self-promote, but I see you got stuff here. So I guess you've been with the community for a while, so hell yeah. Hell yeah. I also did some private reasoning with some apes. I know personally that BNGO Squeeze assists AMC, and I showed them that I would throw 50K into AMC if they would put BNGO on their plate. Oh, man. Oh, man. Slowly climbing again after the NASDAQ future stopped selling. Well, the NASDAQ's been weird. NASDAQ's been great today. I mean, the NASDAQ really, it's been great today. But Bionano, this is the open. I know it's kind of complicated. This is the open right here. This is the first opening candle, 1600 or 935. 1600 was the close yesterday. NASDAQ's been going up. Bionano goes down. NASDAQ goes down. Bionano goes up. Inverse correlation kind of with the markets. Very weird, but it's what it is. It's a weird day. It's a weird day. Making higher lows every day. Where is a 25% gain in one day? It's almost flat. So prove it's not a pump and dump, dude. You're just trolling. You're not even serious. Okay, if you had an open mind, you would know for a fact that this is not a pump and dump. Okay. God, you've been calling it pump and dump. How long have you, Marco? How long have you been calling this a pump and dump, dog? How long? I mean, it's been months. I feel like you're joking, but then again, you're so freaking determined to just say it every day that I don't know if you're I don't know if you got knocked on the head. I don't know if you're joking. I don't know if you're like disabled or something. I don't know what the hell you're doing. I don't know what's going on. Let's refresh this. Hopefully this guy's got way more subs. Oh, come on, boys. Come on. Hey, come on now. This guy's been with the community a while. If you want, if you want to, okay? I'm not telling you what to do, but, you do. There you go. There you go. If you've been with the community a while, the least I can do is help you out a little bit. I want to see more comments in here. I want to see more comments in here, boys. I'm in BG over the long run. Yes, there's a short squeeze possibility. I mean, according to the short interest compared to BB, which everyone also wants to squeeze, but the fundamentals are a much better indicator. Yes, exactly. What are suspicious descent now? Let's go, baby. I kind of don't want them to know that I was the reason why we're here. Disabled? No. Oh, sorry. I thought you were talking about this. I was about to say I was gonna get so mad if they removed this. I was gonna lose my head. This is from Mark from Newsweek. Yes, I'm a roofer too, still holding my. Feeling nervously. I want to see this stock at $10. What? Just found your channel. I have been listening for about an hour, and I just hit that subscribe button. I started buying BNGO at $2.96, and I have very few people that I know that believe in BNGO. Yeah, I know. It's literally now. I don't want to play the victim card and complain here. All right. I'm not telling you what to think or what you should do, but it is literally. I mean, we know Wall Street Bets has censored us. We've got major YouTube channels literally just spreading lies and FUD and likely being paid off or having short positions already that we are going to debunk, that we already partly have. I mean, okay, there's nothing to debunk. They don't even make a bear case. They just say, oh, Financial's a bad company. It's like, dude, what is this? Do you know what Sapphire? Do you know what Nanonosol is? No. Oh man, but dude, that's why we created the Fellowship of the Sapphire. And I'm gonna link this in the chat right now. I'm gonna pin this. I'm gonna pin this in the chat because this is our own community where we actually will not get censored for saying Bionano stuff. And I'm trying. And there is a BNGO subreddit. There's some problems with that one. It's fine. BNGO subreddit is great. I love it. But this is our own. This is like our channel community, our Bionano community, the Fellowship of the Sapphire, man. Plus, how can you not create a community when you have a name like this? I didn't create the name. I did create the picture, but the name is freaking. Oh man, I forgot who first said that. Maybe it was me. I don't think it was though. But man, it's awesome. It's awesome. And then Auspicious Bets is the other one. I'll go ahead and link this one as well. This is for. Look at this, okay? I don't know why the freaking picture always screws up. You have to refresh it to get it to be normal, right? I did make this. When you play the game of stonks, you win or a hedge fund dies. There is no middle ground. This is basically Wall Street Bets, but a little less retarded and no corruption or censoring, right? And this one is way less popular than the other one. But I'm gonna go ahead and put that one in there as well. In your Discord, there's a Lineage and post about saliva. All right. Where? It looks like I've already seen it, maybe. You're going to have to put it in there again. Sorry, man. I don't have time to go through all of them. All right, let's go back to the price action. Ooh, good. Right, you remember that Robinhood video, that meme? Good. When the Cybertruck happened, when the Cybertruck reveal happened, that was funny. Dumping right now. Absolutely dumping. Got the bearish flip there. 5 minute, are we still bullish? Nope, we're not bullish on anything. We're not bullish on anything in the 5 minute. Oh, man. In memes. Okay. Oh, I think I did give this a look real quick. I didn't read it, though. Yeah, the cheek swab. Yes. But is it with the Sapphire compared to other chromosomal microarray tests? Genetic testing easy. Okay. Yes, the cheek swab for sample collection. Yes, and the thing is, can Bionano Sapphire now use a cheek swab? Well, not a cheek swab, a saliva sample for testing. Can they do that? Blood collection. Yeah, there's not. This isn't the Sapphire though. They're using the First Step Plus. High-profile victim of this GameStop short squeeze earlier this year lost another 4% in May, and its year-to-date losses widened to about 44%. Oh, man. The post just hit the first page of Wall Street betting and rising quick. Are you serious? Are you serious? You're making me excited. You're getting. Do not get my hopes up, friend. Do not get my hopes up that BNGO is about to actually get some Wall Street bets traction. Do not do it. You're getting me excited now. You're getting me excited. Oh, we've got 1,000 awards. We've got 1,000 awards. Everybody do what you can. Let's see how many comments and stuff there is. 42 comments. Woo, baby. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Just like Clover. Just like Clover, man. I hope Wall Street Bets can wake up on BNGO. Only optical genome mapping device to detect 100% of SVs. Yes. Yes, dude. It's only 25% of your portfolio. Those are rookie numbers. You need to pump those up. You get the reference? That was a freaking Sapphire. The Wolf of Sapphire Street reference right there, man. We can do a freaking video. Tell you what, should we do a meme video with Wolf of Wall Street? Wolf of Wall Street? I can do that. I already did a Lord of the Rings meme. We can definitely do a freaking Wolf of Wall Street meme. Definitely. The dark pools are repeating nursery rhymes, trying to tempt us to sleep. Watch for the BNGO bounce around 11 a.m. Pacific time. Yeah, so that's 1 p.m. Central time because I'm stupid. Yeah, Pacific is 2 times earlier than Central because I'm dumb. Mountain time is 1 hour Central, 1 hour before Central, and then Eastern is 1 hour after Central. Okay, get it through my thick skull that does not understand how time works. Finally, I understand, I think. BNGO is getting Wall Street Bets traction. It's number 25? It's number 25? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Hold on a second. Let me go here. Hold on. You better not be messing with me. Hold on. All right, I'm going to just scroll down to the Wall Street Bets. It better be here. It better be here. 25th is what you're saying. I don't think it's here. This is too good to be true. If we really are 25th on Wall Street Bets, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's there. I'm gonna go insane. This is it, dude. This is it. This could be it, guys. This could be it. This could be the one. This could be the one. There's no short interest in anything, but once people realize this stuff, why is it rainbow? Wait, what is this? Pride Award. Yes. Dude, I love it, man. This is good. We are gaining traction on Wall Street bets right now. It's as simple as it gets. The BNGO DD card, dude, freaking legendary, freaking whoever posted this. Do I have any other social media that I can freaking put this out on here? Tell you what, let me do it on a YouTube post. Let me do it on a YouTube post. Let me put this out. Let me do an image. All right, here we go. We're going to do this. We got to get this out. Guys, do what you can, please. I'm telling you, it is a net positive for BNGO if we were to get a Wall Street bets, any sort of love. Any sort of love on this post. Short squeezes on the table just to help, right? No, not that. Post it. Boom. Boom. There we go, baby. The link is right here. I'm giving you the link right now. Sorry. I'm going to pin this in the chat. Sorry. BNGO Wall Street bet post. There we go. I'm going to pin that in the... Go. Work. Yes. Let's go. LFG, man. Yes. I don't like saying the whole thing because I feel like I shouldn't. But LFG, that sounds weird. But anyways, all right, yeah, let's refresh this. Let's see if we're gaining any traction. We were like, what were we? Oh, we're still going down? Really? We're still going down with this? Really? Oh, my... It's all right. We're gaining traction. We finally have something in the top 25. This is just going to continue to rise. It's only going to continue to rise. That's as simple as it gets. It will, okay? This is a good post. And the due diligence is obviously spectacular. That's as simple as it gets, man. It's going to freaking rise. You know what? Let me go ahead. Fellowship of the Sapphire. FOTS means Fellowship of the Sapphire. Can everyone share the link to other YouTubers? I'll tell you what. I'll freaking, what do you call? I'm trying to reach out. Oh, I hope I can show this. I'm trying to message Mr. Invest a Lot right now. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna send this to Mr. Invest a Lot right now. Boom. Boom. Yes. Let's go. As simple as it gets, man. Screw the price action right now. This is more important. This is way more important. It just is. Come on, it's a net positive for the stock. My major is poli-sci right now. I'm putting it onto StockTwits. Yes, put it on StockTwits. AMC is 2. That may be because we are both in a tug of war with the same Melvin and Citadel assholes. Yes, although Citadel does have a put on Bionano, but they also have a call and they have millions of shares. But at the same time, they could be freaking just using those shares to manipulate the stock price down, lower, and further. And obviously, they could have shares that are not reported, right? If you have the dart pool stuff, they're not reported. What short percent definitely increasing more naked shares? Are you making fun of the market manipulation claims that we have? Is that what you're doing? The short interest percentage, I've never claimed that the short interest means naked shorting. I've always said that there's naked shorting, I believe, just because the price action would explain it perfectly. I don't have 100% proof. I'm not going to lie to you and say I have proof for it, like in a court of law. No, there's no way it would hold up. But if you just watch the price action and understand the catalyst that we've got that the price action has neglected, the only explanation is naked shorting, FTD increase, artificial supply increase, and therefore reducing the demand, therefore lowering the stock price artificially. Yes, everybody download Reddit. Everybody do it. If you're on desktop or mobile, whatever, get the app. It's honestly it is a good. I mean, there is a ton of crap on it, but I mean, it is one of the best, quick information sources probably for investing knowledge. And we need you. We need you. We need every upvote we can get. We need every comment that we can get on this freaking post right now. Right now. And this is ape language, too. Look at all the pictures in here, man. They like the freaking... and look at this, man. Look at this. I mean, come on. This alone, if you want to know anything about Bionano, look at... He has Ragnaros. He has Mr. Investalot, Deo. He has us, the Fellowship of the Sapphire, man. Come on, man. That's as simple as it gets. This is just awesome. This is just awesome. It's awesome. I mean, they're going to like that. I think they're going to like this post, right? They can actually read it, man. So... holy crap, look at his freaking shares, too. Look at that. That's beauty right there. 15,000 shares, man. I wish I had that many. I wish I had that many, man. Salute to this guy for holding that many shares. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Look at that average cost. Oh, my gosh. Man, that's... oh, man. Come on. That's beauty right there. It's beauty. All right. I'm pushing all in at 10 a.m. Pacific time. So that's 12 p.m. Central. Holding 59% BNGO since 58 cents. Anticipate monster move on Monday. Yeah, honestly. If we dip more, I'm going to add. Well, you know what? I can't, though. Well, I am going to have a ton more buying power, but I really can't. I really can't. I really can't. Here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. I would add a ton of BNGO right now, but I feel bad about bragging, but I have to show the portfolio. Okay, I have to. This is what I'm worried about, right? To be honest with you, I'm worried about inflation. I'm worried about the government spending way too much money and it catching up with us. I'm worried about accommodative policy and a market crash because of the headwinds of the markets. I'm not worried about BNGO, but I'm worried about the market sending BNGO to $6 again. So that is why I am not all in, like literally margin call level if I don't do well, into Bionano, or if that makes sense. I love to comment on Reddit, but they mentioned that I need to post elsewhere first to gain karma or stuff like that. Yeah, that sucks. Hey, whatever, an upvote, we'll take the upvotes. And make sure you upvote the BNGO comments that are bullish, right? Make sure you upvote the comments there as well. The comments and the post, of course. Nice, Brandon. Let's go, baby. BNGO to the moon. Yeah, LFG, man. Yes. Yes, sir. I've pasted the link to all BNGO YouTubers, inclusive to bearish ones. Good. Yes, sir. Let me do, what do you call it? Hold on. Let me go to Twitter and let me tell this to Deo too. Hold on. Let me send it to Deo as well. What's his name? Bonus level, right? Bonus level fun. Is that it? Yes, sir. Right here. Yes. Let me message him. Yes. Okay. Here we go. Dude, yes. Yes. I love the name too, bro. You know what you should do if you're watching this? If the OP, the original poster is watching this, you should link the video. No, you should here. I'll go ahead and I'll make it easy for you. You should link the Reddit post of the Fellowship of the Sapphire in here. I'm gonna get copyrighted if I let this play. I really want to. No, they're gonna copyright me and they're gonna take all my. They're gonna freaking copyright us, man. But what you need to do, and let me go ahead and add him real quick. Hold on. Or somewhere and add in the Fellowship of the Sapphire meme Reddit post link. Yep, there we go. Oh man, if the apes saw this meme, it would be over. Be absolutely over. Let's see what these guys are saying. I love these guys. Oh man, let's go, Big Bulls Baltus. Oh man. Too funny, man. Too funny. I love it. Let's check the price action, though. Still down right now. I've loaded up on everyone's comments that's on the BNGO ship. I'll post a link also on Facebook. Heck yes. Giving the upvotes like I'm at a buffet. Yes, sir. I love it, man. Dude, our community is too good. It's too good. This is good. I like the sentiment. I like what's happened today. I really like it. I think that post is gonna do great. Right now we're like 25th on Wall Street bets, which is absolutely insane. Let's see where we're at now. I still can't post. Oh my gosh. Here, let me go ahead and message the mods again, just so I can prove to y'all that I'm not making this stuff up. I've done this live on stream a couple times. All right. I have been banned for half a week now. I still do not know why. Is this a mistake? I'm innocuous. I'm nice, right? I just want to know what's going on. That's all, right? I've been banned for half a week now. I still do not know why. Is this a mistake? All right. I'm not being mean. What? Bro, that's new. You have been muted from the subreddit. I can't even send the mods a message now. Why? Really? Like, do they understand that I have a YouTube channel and I'm gonna expose them if they keep freaking doing this corrupt shit? Oh my gosh. Dude, I gotta post this to the Discord. This is I mean, you guys are seeing this live. I mean, what? I did not. This is the first time that I've seen this. Why? Why have I been muted? Why? I do nothing but freaking I don't spam. I have karma. I have the freaking credentials, man. I've been around, my account's like freaking way older than most others, man. Come on. Time for a new Reddit account. I know, I already do. I already do have another Reddit account. Yeah. But this is the good one. This is, I mean, there's no other way to explain it. This is corruption. There's no other way to say it. I can't even send a message to the mods. Yeah, expose them with 4.5 followers. I know. Hey, it's something though, right? I mean, it's still, at least I can get the word out. I don't know. So, I don't know. It's a good point, right? It's a good point. Yeah, let's be honest. The channel and the community is extremely small, but hey, we'll take it. We'll take it, man. You can't complain. You can't complain with the community that we've built here. Dude, where are we? We're right down here. Please don't. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Yes. Yes. We're finally there. We actually are able to be seen on the front page of Wall Street Bets. Look at all the awards, dude. This is beauty. Platinum Award. Dude, that is awesome. This is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. There's no other way to say it. This is awesome. I mean, come on. Come on, they muted me. It's like, what? It's like, what the heck, man? Oh, man. That's too funny, though. Isn't that not funny? Brad, I don't know if you remember, but I am the one going to the mountains. Should I be adding as many shares as I can before going? Well, I remember you were the one that said you're going to the mountains for like a... Wait, were you the one that said you're going out for a year? Should you hold or sell out? Is that you? Clarify for me, my friend. Big ass W, maybe? Yeah. Maybe. Maybe. Yeah. Double bottom. We said that last time. We said that when it was right here on the 1 minute, but this is the 5 minute. Yeah. I'm sorry, but as someone who's about your grandpa's age, I am laughing out loud at your indignation over the mute. Indignation means what you think is unjust treatment, but it's really not. Hold on, let me make sure I'm understanding that right. Yeah, well, it is unfair treatment. It is. I mean, it sounds whiny, but I mean, why the hell are they banning me? Okay, if they didn't ban me, all of my posts would have went through. Wall Street Bets would have adopted us by now. Most likely, we would be above $10. So yeah, you better bet your ass I'm. You better bet your ass I'm mad. You better bet your ass that I am pissed off with that. Hell yeah, new tweet. Ooh, new tweet. Let's go. 1 minute ago. This is old. Is this old? Please don't. Oh, this is old. Oh my gosh, this is. Oh my gosh, this is years old. This is. Sapphire system can detect, can see camouflage deletions other technologies miss. It allows for the direct measurement of the number of something binding domains for each haplotype in a CR1 and Alzheimer associated gene in this patient with Alzheimer's disease. Goes a little bit over my head. This is, oh my gosh. I mean, I again, it's the same thing that we say every day. I like that they're tweeting, but dude, a juicy new PR would be so good for the stop price. I'll be in the dark for a whole year. Yeah, I recommend you do your research and then you hodl if you like it. If you come to the same conclusion as me, which is the Sapphire is better than karyotyping, CMA, and fish, and you think that all universities and institutions and hospitals, not hospitals, but hospitals as well, that use that stuff should be replaced with Sapphire, then you should hodl because fundamentally Sapphire will be getting a ton. There will be a ton of sales. There will be a ton of sales. It's as simple as it gets. I think they will be posting old news to catch up with the rest of the people. They've been doing this for a while. They've been doing this for months. I mean, they're doing it now more so than ever, basically. All right. The recycled Twitter feed suggests something must be brewing behind the scenes. Not must necessarily, but maybe, absolutely maybe. There's been a lot of speculation that this is in preparation for something big. Direct your anger at the people stealing our attendees. Dude, that's the Wall Street Bet mods. Literally, what do you mean? That's them. The Wall Street Bet mods. If they didn't remove me, do you know how many freaking do you know how successful my posts have been on Wall Street Bets when they're not removed? Let's just go to the profile real quick. Okay, there's two posts, three technically that have been approved. First one got about basically the most awards I've ever seen. Second one got nothing basically because I don't understand how that got nothing. I still don't understand. But this third one here, and then this got 500 upvotes as well. And these are the highest upvoted posts I've ever seen on Wall Street Bets in the last few months. If they didn't remove me, what do you think would happen? We would be literally above $10 because they would rally to our cause. Because I would be able to actually post this shit and get a ton of upvotes. And y'all have done great, and they've been removing. It's not just me that they're removing and banning. Although I haven't heard of anyone else getting banned. I'm the only one that's gotten banned because they just hate me that much more. I guess because they realize we're a threat to AMC and GME short term. Although we're really not. They realize we have an auspicious opportunity. They're freaking censoring everything. And I guess, hopefully, I guess there is technically a chance that this is a mistake, but I just don't understand why I've been muted. I've been banned and muted. I can't even message the mods. I don't know. I don't know what to say. But yeah, because of our freaking community, because we're so freaking awesome, y'all have picked up the torch. I have fallen in battle, and y'all are basically continuing the war, right? I'm Ned Stark, and you guys are Robb Stark, continuing the battle against the South. But not, our battle is going to end differently than that one did. Yes, by a lot differently. But you get what I mean, right? You get what I mean. I'm sorry. I'm still watching Game of Thrones right now. Still rewatching it. Yeah, it's just sideways price action right now. Yep. It could be a double bottom. Yes, it could be. It could be. We have a potential W here in the 5 minute, but here's the thing: if you go to the 1 minute, we did just have one. we have like 5, 6, 7 bottoms here on the 1 minute. But yeah, the 5 minute, this could turn out to be a W. Yeah, absolutely. Here you go. Here's the start. Here's the middle, here's the end. And then you break this part, and then boom, price target is the sum of this. At least that's one way to do it, to my understanding. How are BNGO's institutional holding? That's a good question. So basically, if you're one of those people that just loves institutional ownership for some reason, which I do disagree with, but it is high. It is bullish for you. 15.6160%. We have basically, way more institutions that are long than short. We have about 13 that have disclosed. Here, let me go to the short interest. Let's show you what I mean. The institutional put to call ratio is 0.80, which is still bullish, right? So the calls are very bullish for BNGO, right? If you look at the open interest on the options chain here, there's way more calls that are being held than puts. And the key here is that a lot of these are losing money and losing a lot of value, right? The out the money ones at $10, right? These guys right here, they're losing a lot of money, and yet there's still 11,000 of them that are still out there not being sold or exercised yet. If you look at the put side, there's not even 1,000. Okay, this is the puts. There's way more calls being held and bought right now than puts, and this goes back to our gamma squeeze potential, right? Because these expire very soon. And once these expire, what do you think people are going to do? They're going to take profits and throw them back in. And this leads to that kind of domino effect, that gamma squeeze kind of rapid buying of short-dated call options. And as we go higher, we could not only see more buying of these, but once these expire, you could see more buying and covering of the shorts and more buying of the next batch of short-term call options, right? Also, the short interest has increased, right? This goes back to our synthesis that a short squeeze and gamma squeeze is not off the table. Pair that with the fact that, Wall Street bets, if they get us, if they help us, this is why I've been saying this is why I've been saying for so long that there is still a chance, right? Even though we've done bad and we've bled for 2-3 days in a row now, it's nothing has really changed. Yes, things have changed, but really not. The opportunity has not changed at all. I think. You can disagree with me, that's fine, but that's what I think. All right. Awarded platinum on that Reddit post, legendary post. Yes, thank you. If you're the one that did that, I don't know if you mean you're the one that did that, but yeah, awesome. It is. It is an awesome post, and I love. It takes so long to add in all those files. I wish you could copy and paste files, but maybe you can. I don't know how to though. But yeah, you have to go in, freaking hit the hit the thing at the top. You gotta add it in, you gotta find it, and you gotta do that 1,000 times, right? If you want to cross-post this, you can cross-post it, or if you want to actually make it look nice, like this person did here, you have to actually go in and add all the freaking files. You can't copy and paste anything. You can copy and paste the words, not the files though. All right. The auto miners put you in a Mexican finger trap. Yeah, no, I don't. Not really, because I don't really know what a Mexican finger trap is, so not really. But I get your point. Your overarching point, I understand though. Doesn't change. My call to action is the same. My call to action is the best it can be, in my opinion. The recycled Twitter feed suggests something. Okay, yeah, I saw that. Institutions are where the smart money is going. Follow the smart money. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't honestly, Havana, Havana, I appreciate you so much. You know this, my friend, but honestly, I'm not really worried about what the hell they're doing. I just want to worry about what we can do to make this a better situation, to be honest with you. I just want it to be the best opportunity for Bionano's company and exposure and publicity, which, I think I'm doing the best I can. We're doing the best we can with the censorship and banning and all this shit. So. Told you earlier that I created my first Reddit account, right? Guess what? I gave my first platinum over 1 minute ago. Let's go. Yeah. Yes, let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. That's awesome. That's awesome. Look at this, man. We're like 25th. We're in the top 30. I think maybe we're in the top 20. Hold on. Let me count it real quick. Hold on. Let me do some rough math here. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh, we're in the top 20. That's like 16th or 17th. We're like 16th or 17th or 18th right now. That's awesome. Dude, this is gaining. It's only been out for 55 minutes, man. Post this to whatever you can. Facebook, Stock Twits, Reddit, YouTube, friends, family, whatever, man. Get the upvotes. Don't feel like you have to use money and buy coins, but if you have any coins on you, this is one that you want to consider awarding, man. And obviously, go down to the comments and upvote everything you can. That is bullish. Of course, be nice. Be innocuous. Don't say anything bearish of AMC and JMIA. You guys know the spiel. Yes, I know. I know, Brendan. I know. I wish Wall Street Bets would stop censoring Brandon. It's ridiculous. That's exactly right, Brendan. If you're out there, man. Oh my gosh, that's exactly right, man. I'm glad someone else is with me. I really wish they would stop. I really wish it. I really wish they would stop. It's okay though. It's okay. We're not gonna let one headwind or one negative thing keep us down, keep the community down. Hell no. We're still doing great things. They just muted me. they just muted me now, so it's even worse. It's even more. I guess I'm like double censored now, right? I can't even message the mods. Did y'all see that? I tried. I could do that again. I can show y'all. They muted me. I cannot even freaking message the mods now. Awesome. This is awesome. Yeah, it's simple to read and understand. This is what I love about this post. The formatting is awesome. You got bolding, you got freaking great grammar, you got bullet points. It looks very clean. Plus, the big thing is that it's so easy to understand. right? So many graphics and links that you can actually go and do the digging for you if you want, right? It's very easy to understand, which is why it's going to do really well. One reason why it's going to do really well. The harder you push, the tighter you get restricted. It's an automatic logarithmic. I've freaking tried to tell you when you made multiple attempts. Dude, what do you want me to do? What do you want to do? Just I respect that, Havana, but what do you want me to do? You want me to just give up? You want me to just stop linking stuff? Stop trying to spread the word about Wall Street Bets censorship, man? I'd say we made some progress, not with my banning, of course. They don't give a shit about me. They literally I wouldn't be surprised if some of them like have researched me and see what this community is about, and then they're like, okay, this guy likes BNGO, he's got a good case. If this gets out, he's going to freaking be the next deep F in value, and he's going to squeeze BNGO to the moon, or at least be a big part in instigating that happening. Let's freaking mute him. Let's ban him. Let's freaking remove all his shit. That's what they did. That's what they've done. I think that's the most likely scenario. And, dude, I'm not going to let that freaking slide. Dude, this is corruption, and I'm fighting it. I feel like it's as simple as it gets, man. I don't like that whole philosophy. Just kiss their ass and lay down to die, dude. Come on, dude. I tell you guys all the time, if Bionano gets delisted, we're going down with the ship, right? I told you that. I've told you that always. Same thing with the freaking corruption, man. It's an automatic tool you trigger when you bashed against the wall multiple times in rapid order. Yeah, I already tried being nice though. I already tried it the other way. I already asked them, stand back and chill and try again tomorrow, not 3 times in 10 minutes. No, I've only tried 6 times, and I've never done it like that. I've never spammed. I've always been nice. There was like 2 times. There was 2 messages. I sent one to a chat. I told them, like, after I had already tried this for multiple days in a row, I told them, hey, if this is blatant censorship, I'm gonna make a video on my channel explaining what has happened here, which I still have not done yet because I want to be extra nice, like you say. I'm not giving up. We're not giving up. No, mark my words. We'll probably make a video on the weekend about what's happened, but yeah, I've already tried being nice. I've already tried being slow, being nice. So yeah. It's not the auto mod. It's not the auto mod. I've had several posts that have been here. I'll go ahead and show you an example. Right, we got to scroll way down here. We got to scroll way down. Right here, and there's 1,000 posts like this. Right. Sorry, this post has been removed by the moderators of Wall Street Bets. If you scroll down here, there's no visual mod. There's no mod doing this. This was up, and this got 36 upvotes because it was up and good, and it met all the requirements because I've done research and I understand. I looked at the visual mods freaking requirements and the freaking Wall Street Bets shit and the auto mob, and I literally spaced out BNGO. I made it past the character limit. I did everything I can. The moderators remove it after 15 minutes of it being up because I posted it and because of my goal. And this is not a black swan. This has happened several times. And that's as simple as it gets. It's as simple as it gets. And they banned me. And it's not like they banned me because I was being disrespectful or because I'm a threat. They banned me because I liked BNGO. They didn't ban me because I was being, I don't know. You know what I mean. They put you in a timeout. Yep. Well, maybe. Or permanent ban. I don't know. We got to choose our battles. Your DD scares them. If we did a video exposing them, not only would it be a huge publicity event, but it would let everybody know that, hey, this guy doesn't like the Wall Street Bet mods because they've been removing his stuff selectively, and they've banned him and not responded to him in any of his posts. He's been respectful. He's been nice. He's tried to work with them. They haven't done it, and it's maybe because they don't like BNGO, and maybe this is corruption. I don't see what's so bad about that. I don't know why everybody's so scared. I mean, I understand, like, oh, you know, I don't really know, to be honest with you. Like, it's not like we're starting a war with Wall Street Bets. We're starting a war with the Wall Street Bet mod or mods that have removed me, and I can make that very clear, and I can be innocuous and respectful and nice. I feel like it's a win-win if we do it. I feel like it's worth it to do it, and I'm going to as of now, unless someone can actually change my mind, which I haven't opened. I mean, I've heard your guys' case. There's some good points being made, but I think it's the best way right now, based on from my point of view. It's the best way. It's a net positive for the company, and it's the best thing as far as what's right, you know. It's not right to just let this corruption stand by, or it's not even if you don't think it's corruption, right? It's totally legal, right? It's just not a good thing to do. Selectively remove shit, you know. But yeah, letting people know that this is actually happening is a good thing. That's a good thing, man. That's a good thing. People deserve to know the truth about what's happening, I believe. Well, we should chill on that battle while we are climbing the front page right now. Yeah, Why? I mean, I'm gonna chill right now, but I'm still thinking that soon I'm gonna go ahead and make that video. I mean, you know what? Hey, if they stop removing this stuff, you know what? Hey guys, why don't y'all try to make some BNGO posts now? What or somebody, if anyone wants to, right? Make a quick post, right? YOLO in, or here's my portfolio to the moon, YOLO, whatever, Wall Street Bet post, right? Quintessential Wall Street Bet post. If you want to do that, that's cool. But yeah, why don't you try to see if they're still censoring stuff? Maybe they're not, right? If they're gonna, hey, you know what? I will be perfectly happy if they're gonna freaking let BNGO posts go and they're just gonna keep me banned, dude. Whatever. I mean, it's still corrupt. Yeah, technically from a moral standpoint, I should probably still expose the truth, but I don't really care honestly. If they're gonna let BNGO mostly through, I'll fine. That's good. It would be corruption if someone was being paid to remove your comments. We don't know that they aren't, and selectively removing stuff when it's literally determining millions of dollars and stock prices and healthcare and market manipulation fighting and all the stuff that we're doing here, just so you can make more money with AMC and GME potentially. That in my book is corruption. If it's not in yours, that's fine. But letting posts go because you have money in them, letting posts not go because you don't have money in them, removing them because you don't like the stock or you don't want it to go up, in my book, that's not a very good thing to do. So that's just me. What you see is a fraction of what's behind the curtain. And admin permissions are extremely complex, and only the super admin is truly free of the auto mods. Many things mods and admins don't see. That could be true. That probably is true. But I still think what we're doing is the best. I don't see how that doesn't. I don't see how that that doesn't change. That we should still expose the truth. Maybe. BNGO, SENS, NNDM's trifecta. Come on, BNGO, catch the hell up. I know. Come on, BNGO. Come on. They let tons of other posts go for other tickers, but not yours. That doesn't make sense. I agree. If you keep doing this, they are going to remove all BNGO content just to spite you. How about instead of focusing on this stupid war with Wall Street bets, you let BNGO stand on its own merits? What about this, though? That's a good point, honestly. That's a good point, but here's the thing. What if we actually do expose it and let the Wall Street bet apes know through a video and through exposure and through comments and through Discord and whatnot that the Wall Street bet mods do not want BNGO to be found out for reasons that are, what they are. So maybe they would even like BNGO even more because of that, or not. So you be the bigger man for not telling the truth. That's maybe true, honestly, but yeah, you know what? Here, tell you what, guys. Maybe I'll just chill out on it, and until there is more selective removing going on, maybe I'll just shut up and acquiesce right now. Maybe I'll just acquiesce for now. Smells like a campaign to stunt the momentum. They let tons of other posts. Stop being acting like this is all about you. If you truly cared about the bigger picture, you would quit talking about the perceived corruption and focus on helping BNGO. Dude, okay. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to get pissed off. I know you're just trying to do what you think is best. I am trying to not be banned and trying to expose the corruption so Wall Street bet mods will unban me, and so we can get more BNGO posts like this so we can help the company, which is a net positive, also get Wall Street bet apes to understand that there's a squeeze potential here and there's fundamentally undervalued and it's auspicious, market manipulation is proven. This is not about me. I hope you don't think that. No. It's not about me. It's about the truth, and it's about BNGO and net positive about BNGO. Let me be clear on that. It's fine if you think I'm being, I don't know, but yeah, it's not about me. It's not about me. I mean, no, just how stupid you're going to get so I can pull out all my shares. What? Wow, you guys, there's a lot of dissent going on here, man. Literally, I did the poll. A lot of people don't like this nowadays. This is interesting because I just did a poll. I just did the community poll here. Right here. Should I post a video telling about the facts that has happened with the Wall Street bet censorship of BNGO? 66% say yes, and yeah, in the chat here today, it seems like everybody's against it, which is interesting. We're not starting a war with Wall Street bets. We're just finishing the war with the Wall Street bet mods, man. Let's take our win and get some traction. Sure, I'll do that. I'm fine with that. Then how can you keep saying how fantastic it is that we are getting traction on Wall Street bets, but in the same breath say you want to go to war with their mods? I want to end the war that they started. And it is great that someone else is getting traction on Wall Street bets for once. And guys, do not think for 1 second it's only me being censored on Wall Street bets. No, I mean, there's literally probably more than 50 posts of BNGO. I can't link all of them, but I've seen so many people in the Discord say they just posted and got freaking. I mean, just yesterday. Okay. Let's see. I mean, right in here, if we can find it. I mean, in the Discord, there's been so many people saying that they just got censored. So many people. A lot of you have tried yourselves, man. Wow, it's crazy, man. It really is crazy. Wow, dumping 131 right now, or 131 in the 1% down right now. See, this is the market's doing. You've organically brought BNGO to their boards. Just let that be a win and let it rest there. I think we will for now. Or BNGO can actually release some news or catalyst for once and help chipping away at the support. The mods are on the take total money grab. The war is over. This is their white flag. Give it till next week and try again, but today we enjoy our victory. Yeah, I agree it's a victory, but the fact of the matter is they just muted me for the first time, and I can't even message the mods now. And, of course, the censorship just yesterday. I can't find the post right now because I'm dumb and I can't remember where the post was. Okay, here you go. I'm going to try it one more time. Cody, I tried one more. This is yesterday or 2 days ago. I tried one more time. After this, I'm done. Removed again, okay? There's so many posts of people trying to get it out there, and they can't. So, I don't know. Right now, you know what? Since y'all are so... I mean, I guess because everybody is so against me just making a video and exposing the truth. I guess, you know what? I guess we'll just chill out for a little bit right now. I love seeing BNGO bulls tear each other apart. No, we're on the same side. Unlike the Bears, I think we can actually have an intelligent conversation, actually disagree. But, yeah, we're just... At the end of the day, we're just trying to figure out what's the best solution to this complex problem that we've been having. It's a really hard problem. It is. And there's so many different thoughts of how to go about this. I think the best way is just, tell people what's going on. But, maybe it's better for us to acquiesce and take our one victory. Sold AMC for BNGO yesterday. I'm already regretting it. Bought it at 772. You know what? The people who bought right here on May 12th regretted it too for a day, including me. I bought the dip all throughout this downtrend, and I regretted it for a day, right? Not really, but short term you were down. Look at long term. Make sure you zoom out. Make sure you understand the tech and the actual company before you invest, though, my friend. Please make sure you understand that. Yeah, BNGO is doing great today. It really, I mean, well, not today. Not today. It is doing great the long term. So if you're complaining, like, one step forward, 10 steps back, the freaking spiel the Bears like to do. Just look at the chart. Just look at the chart, man. You know what? Okay, you know what? I'll give you guys something here. I'll say this. The Ragnaros has said he's supposed to do a no mythical physics. I didn't regret the dip. I just said I didn't. I misspoke when I said that. I regretted it for like a day short term because, I'm down short term. But no, not really, because I'm literally just trying to accumulate as many shares. On the way, I go down. But what do you call it? What was I going to say? Yeah, okay, so there's a Ragnaros post. He's supposed to do his discounted cash flow model for BNGO 2.0, right? If he can get that post up on Wall Street Bets, if he can not get it removed, right? If he can try a couple different ways, cross out BNGO ticker, make sure it's 1,000 characters, label it as like a discussion or whatever, right? Not due diligence, and it gets approved, I'll call it good. If BNGO posts stop getting censored, dude, I'm good. If they want to ban me, whatever. I don't care. Okay, as long as BNGO by a whole can do. I mean, I do care, right? I do care that they have selectively censored me because of BNGO. I do care. I want that to stop. But I'll chill, I guess, because of the potential negative consequences of exposing them. That would maybe be, which I really don't think there would be many negative consequences, to be honest with you. Just making a video telling everybody what happened, which probably won't get any views anyways. But But if that gets through the DCF 2.0 of Ragnaros, if that's going to get through on Wall Street Bets, and if they don't censor that, then I'll call it cool. I'll call it cool if they can do that. Damn, yeah, right when we got rejected here. Yeah, 5 minute, not great, but we're still getting. I think let me check this, make sure we're still getting bullish divergence here. Damn it. Yeah, our hopes, our bullish divergence on the stochastic on the 4 hourly just got evaporated. And we are now, right now, at the support level right now. Actually, we're kind of below. We're kind of confirming the breakdown back into this. That would suck if we're about to do that. Hopefully, this is a little bit of a flash crash. Hopefully, this is a false breakdown like we had right there. But, man. Yeah, and we just got the bearish flip on the 4 hourly. That's not great. Not great short term, but obviously, that's only a couple indicators. Short term, well, short term, I guess, extremely short term, it could be bearish if we do confirm the breakdown here. But obviously, midterm and next week, there is a lot of headwinds in the markets next week, potential, right? JP, Federal Reserve announcement, that's scary. Or it could be really good, though. And we got the Russell 3000. We've got the freaking CCO. We've got a ton of good news. So I'm still, obviously, you guys know I'm not selling a share no matter how high or low we get for years. Or at least 1 year, most likely. All right. Can you open your own channel and call it Wall Street Bets on BNGO? That will send them into a tizzy. You are the mortal enemy to any group of people trying to keep a Ponzi. They just removed my post in seconds. Yep. This is the problem. Christopher Weltmore. I don't understand why you can never get more than one green day. What do you mean, man? What do you mean? We've had like since May 13th, we've had like 10 green days out of like 15. We've gone up about what? 430 to 750. What is that? 70, 75%, 80%, 90%? I'd say that's pretty good. Plus, if you, I don't, Christopher Wellner, I don't know if you're freaking out or you're panic selling. I don't know what your situation is, but if you're one of those people that's going to get mad if you're down short term, it might not be the right stop for you. You need to understand the tech. You need to understand the Sapphire and why the company actually is going. Why we actually believe this is such a great investment. You need to understand that. Okay, sorry, Christopher. Sorry, portfolio. Sorry. All right. Well, that is a good point for a lot of people out there, though. Okay, look what happened on the stochastic on the 5th, though. On the 4th, same pattern, and it bounced. On the 4th. Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, I see exactly what you mean. Okay, right here. Yeah, okay, yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, it got a bearish flip, and then right after that, that was a sell signal, and that was actually, that should have been a buy signal, right? Yeah, the stochastic indicator is obviously not perfect, but technically right now, yeah, I mean, that's not what you want to see right now. But yeah, we could be fine. We could be fine right now. We could be fine. But right now, this is, yeah, it is painful what's going on right now. Down, well, we're only down 1%, though. It's really not that bad. Bro, mythical physics. All right, guys, everybody, I want to be clear. Mythical physics in the chat. No disrespect to you, but this man just called. He just said that his correction is right. He just said that his prediction is right. So he earlier in the chat, if you scroll up, you'll see what I mean. He predicted we're going to be down 8% in 5 minutes. That was at the close, right? We flipped green. We did not, and now we're 1% red. And also, this is from earlier this week. My prediction is for Friday, 570. After huge run-ups, there tends to be same sentiment in opposite direction. Now, I'm no philosopher or genius or PhD in genetics or finance, right? I'm not even going to college for finance. I'm going to college for poli-sci, right? But I would say the stock price is only it's at $7.56 and not $5 in today's Friday. So I would say that Mythical Physics was completely wrong and is trying to spread FUD. And I think y'all need to understand when he is in the chat and he's trying to get your cheap shares, you need to understand his track record is worse than anyone's. I mean, it's as worse, it's as bad as you can get. All right. I'm up over 150% from December. Yes, sir. Yeah, sorry, Christopher, for the misunderstanding. Sorry, that's my bad. I'm sorry. I'm in a pissed off mood right now, if you can't tell. Well, kind of. I was in a great mood before we started debating the Wall Street Bets thing, which, I mean, that's my fault. I just get pissed off easily. Y'all are making good points. I think y'all are right in a lot of ways. Selling BNGO at 50 a share. Okay, I was about to say, do we have another bear in here if you're selling BNGO at $50 a share? Only 1.5 hours late, Mythical. Nice job. Yep, only 1.5 hours late. Yep. Mythical, aren't you tired of being wrong all the time, honestly? Yeah, Mythical, give Brandon $1,000 if you're wrong. Yeah, just like Robbie was supposed to, right? Robbie was supposed to give me $1,000 if BNGO was not $3 or $4 or whatever. $3 on May 21st, and he disappeared. Oh yeah, and also by the way, I want y'all to. Friday is not over. You think we're gonna see 570 today? Okay, buddy. All right, all right. You could be right. You could be right, man. You could be right. 570. I mean, don't get me wrong. We could easily dump to the downside 6% here technically, and now it's a low, very low likelihood in my opinion. But we could dump to the downside. But 570. Do you understand how much of a dip that is? That's like over 20% red on the day. That would require like this the headquarters of BNGO getting shot up. Oh man, let me refresh the Reddit post. See how we're doing now, dude. This is our ticket. This is our ticket. Let me refresh this. Oh man, this is so good. Look, 3 platinum awards, man. See how many comments we get. Do we have 100 comments yet? 80. Bingo, bango, bongo. My DD bags, thank you. That's funny. I wish they would. I wish they would. It's okay though. It's okay. It's okay. We're still going to continue fighting, and we're still going to win the war. Not with Wall Street bets, but with the bears and with the manipulators and with the mods that are selectively censoring. That they started. Yeah, he said 570. He said 570 because he wanted to buy in at 570. Yeah, don't we all? We all wish we could buy in low. We all, a part of us, even the bag holders, some of them, at least most of them, wish that Bionano. A part of them wishes we would dump so we could get cheap shares. I wish I had invested in SENS. You can't know the future. Over 70K buys, barely goes up. 500 goes sell, goes down quick. Dude, that's exact. Steven Roberts. Over 70K buys, barely goes up. 500 sell, goes down quick. That literally, that same pattern. And of course, the time and sales, this is not, if we go to the, what do you call it? If I can, well, I don't have it pulled up right now. I can pull it up later. But that buy side imbalance, right? More shares that are green, right? More buys, right? Buys. We call them buys, but they're not technically buys because there's buying and selling. But basically, the green ones are buys at prices that make the stock go up or help the stock go up. Red are the ones that help the stock go down. We see thousands, tens of thousands of buys, right? Greens. Stock goes up a couple cents. We see reds, a little bit of reds, boom, we're dumping. And sometimes that's just what happens. But if that continues to happen, that is essentially proof of manipulation. Because when I say continue, it's happened for a couple of days here, which is weird. At least to my understanding, it's weird, right? How can you have a buy side imbalance for so long, right? It has to even out eventually. But if this is going to be a repeated pattern, maybe it is some sort of evidence for naked shorting. Or not even necessarily naked shorting. I guess you could explain this by, well, this doesn't take into account new short positions, does it? Or at least the dart pool or the manipulating one. The ones that they don't report. They don't take these into account. So you can make that argument. But if this continues to happen, it's a little bit sketchy to say the least, right? A little bit. Ooh, I like that. Am I missing that right? Hold on. No. I don't know about that. Hold on, what time frame are you on? Oh, you're on the 4-hourly. Or some big time frame. Hold on. Yeah. Well, hold on. Let me nah. It could be something like that. Like this. But there's so many it could be. It could be. Let me take this right here. It's more of a, honestly, if anything, this is just a descending triangle if you want to make that argument. If you think the descending resistance is there, there's a lot more validations, but obviously there's way more false breakouts. And also, I kind of think it is here because look at this, okay? Look at this. Perfect validation there, and that's recent, and also you have a perfect confirmation of it as the new support. So I don't know. Here, you know what? I'll just draw it both to be sure, right? Because no one knows for sure what it's going to turn out to be. So I'll just draw it both. There we go. Okay, and then descending, and then we got a horizontal support right here. Yeah. All right. Either way, we'll see what happens. Either way, short interest is still up on the day. Yep. No one cares about short interest now, but yep, there you go. I mean, the shorts they have not covered, right? They just haven't. It's as simple as it is. They have not covered. It's the same spiel. I'm not going to give you the same spiel because I literally repeat myself so long. I'm bored of myself when I say it. Yeah, we saw that new tweet, but it's old news. It's old news. What's your opinion on BNGO selling DNA to FBI in 2009? Send me a link on that and I'll tell you. I don't know enough to give an opinion on that, if it's real. Imagine having all your shares, but at $1 price point. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Google Trends show BNGO's interest rising. Yeah, let's see. You know what? I should have checked this a while ago. I'm dumb because I have. I'm dumb because I haven't. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. It's almost exactly. See, this is why it's important. This is why it's important for the interest and knowledge of the BNGO stop price. Here, let me go to the 12 months. Right? Literally, the interest is almost exactly, not exactly, but similar. It's similar to the stop price, right? February 16th was the peak, right? The interest peaked on January, right? But basically, the volume of this and the stop price of this correlate in the aggregate, right? You've seen, the data for this is incomplete, but from June 6th to 12th, the interest increased by what? More than double. The stop price has increased by more than double. Well, not almost double, I should say, from the lows. So this is why it's important to get not only the news out on YouTube and Weeble comments, but, you know, everywhere. Reddit, StockTwits, Twitter, everything, man. The more people that know about Bionano, the more people that are bullish, because in the aggregate, the technology and the technology and the auspicious nature of the fundamentals will really do the investors well, the new investors well, and the new people that are finding out about BNGO right now. We already closed below the green candle for Monday. If we were unbiased, we would agree. We would agree that's bearish. Yeah, it is. I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah, I mean, we just got. Here's what I'm worried about. We just got the bearish flip on the stochastic. Bearish flip right here. So, okay, no, technically, wait. Yes, we do have the bearish flip. The D line is barely above the blue line. Yes. Yep. Okay. So yeah, we did get the bearish flip there, which is bearish crossover there. The K line is now below. Bearish crossover. Of course, it could be something like in May 4th. Somebody smartly pointed out that May 4th or June 4th, we had the bearish flip there for a second. And then we obviously went up like, 30%, 40%. So it could be one of those scenarios, or it could be a true sell signal. So, and obviously on the 4-hourly, we have confirmed the breakdown below 21 SMA. We got bearish flips on the SAR. We're barely holding the Supertrend we're barely being, if we break 750, that's the first sign of a bearish reversal. On the 4-hourly Supertrend. That's what I would love if we could hold that, obviously. So 750 is where it's at. And if we break 750, we're going to flip that. I really hope we don't, obviously, but that would be the start. That would be, a sell signal. But there's 1,000 indicators, and obviously I am not invested in this company for the technicals. I don't care what happens to technicals. I don't care how low we go. I don't care how high we go. I'm holding for a long time because it's just too damn auspicious in my opinion. Yeah, there was a tweet 40 minutes ago. Jason Smith, always right. Hold on. Okay. Ability to detect Alzheimer's should technically make the stock suck up the value of CGNSF, early Alzheimer's detection tech, as it pairs with that new Alzheimer's drug. So many applications. I know there's applications that no one knows about. And the key is that there's applications of the Sapphire. There's applications of the Sapphire that are basically not in that are in on the come up in development, right? According to the CEO, right? You guys know I say that, I use that quote all the time because it's so important. It's so important. Everything Money's videos has so many dislikes now. Yeah, as it should be, as it should be. I mean, come on, man. I mean, this is just absolute misinformation, in my opinion. I mean, okay, I respect you, whatever. I respect you, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to dislike it and prove and fallacy of composition. Yeah, exactly. It's fallacy. Do you even understand what Sapphire does? Right? Yes, I know what it does and how it helps. And then they're like, can you explain in 3 sentences how Sapphire works? They don't know. They don't understand. They have no idea. Okay, if you don't mention the product of a company that you're bearish on at all in a 15-minute video in your rants, it's not. I mean, that's already a sign for caution, right? I sent Mr. Investalot and Deo the link here, and I hope they respond. The BNGO Wall Street bet. Dude, this is exciting. Dude, I got to stop complaining today. This is a happy day. We finally got a post. Finally got a post of BNGO on the top list of Wall Street bets. Finally. Let's see. It was like 16th last I checked. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I guess I'll count this one as well to be conservative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18th right now. 18. Look at the award different, right? We got like 30 awards. The others that are next to it have nothing close to it, guys. I'm going to put this in the chat again. If no one, please consider making a Reddit account and doing your part to give your opinion on it. I'm not telling you to go freaking just pump it. I'm just telling you, if you like Bionano and you think the Wall Street Bet apes more of them should be able to see the BNGO DD, feel free to go give your opinion on that right there, man. I don't want anyone saying, "Oh, Brandon, you're trying to artificially pump the stock through Wall Street Bets." Well, I want to increase the knowledge of us, okay? And also, if you want to make the argument that I'm trying to freaking pump us or trying to pump and dump, you can't make the argument that I'm pumping and dump because I'm holding all my shares. I show my portfolio every day, right? You can't make that argument. If you want to say the argument that I'm pumping this, well, I would just say that if you're going to say I'm doing that, then everybody else ever on Wall Street Bets in the history is pumping as well. So. Yeah, all we're trying to do is get BNGO out there, man. That's all we're trying to do. It's a net positive for the company. It's a good cause, fighting against manipulation, revolutions in healthcare, and making a lot of money along the way. That's a net positive. Who doesn't like that, man? Who doesn't like that? Nasdaq green, BNGO red. Nasdaq red, BNGO red. Dude, what are you talking about? All right, today we're red, but we're outperforming the Nasdaq by like a huge amount in the last month, bro. You can't go up every day. All right, that's something you bears could learn a lot from, man. You have to. Sometimes you don't go up perpetually. Sometimes good companies have to consolidate a little bit. Sometimes the true value of the company is way higher than what it's currently trading at, man. Sometimes that's just how it is. That's just how it is sometimes, man. That's the stock market, right? That you bears could learn a lot from that, man. Come on now. It needs more attention, needs more YouTubers and people sharing it. Yes, somebody, if anyone has connections with, what's his name? Mr. Investalot, Miguel, and Deo, please tell them. Please tell them, send them a link of this, tell them to make a video on this, and tell them to use their following and use their community to promote these videos, because it is a net positive for the stock in every way possible. You cannot tell me it's not. I mean, I guess you can. You have it in your opinion, but, you cannot coherently tell me it's not, right? So yeah, please, somebody, if anyone has their phone number or anything, I need their phone. We need to have a little BNGO YouTuber community phone number so we can text about stuff like that. 16th on Wall Street Bets now. Yes. Dude. Man, this is getting me excited. I mean, dude, obviously the last time we had a post like this do well, 500 upvotes, even more awards than this has, like 40. Hopefully this one gets even more than I did. But if this does really well, obviously the stock price didn't move for BNGO the next day. But nonetheless, the more people that see this stock, the more people that see this post, the better it is. The better it is. Yeah, I know the AMC short squeeze. Yeah, I know. There is an argument to be made that without AMC actually squeezing a little bit, that BNGO is not going to be next up until AMC squeezes fully. But I don't know. I don't think that's I think that there's a lot of apes out there that are not tied up in AMC. I think there's a lot of apes that we could get with us into the Fellowship of the Sapphire, and not only that, but with the Bionano community, right? With the BNGO community. But today, both you and their cause would not benefit. Ultimately, the Wall Street Bets crowd will miss out on today's tremendous opportunity to go to buy under $10. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to make a video today on that. Don't think we will. Yeah, I know Deo. Yeah. Well, I don't watch him. I don't have time to watch him, but yeah, I know who he is. Can you load the tweet to the new Wall Street Bets that's tracking? What do you mean? Wall Street Bet post is blowing up fast. We need to tell everyone. Yes, we do. Please, everyone. I think I've posted to Twitter. I've done a YouTube community post. I've linked it in the chat. I've pinned it in the chat, and I'm gonna link it one more time. And what else? And I've also sent the freaking message to the Discord. The message was already sent to the Discord, and I've sent it to Mr. Investalot and Deo. And right, our three followings combined, us three BNGO YouTubers, we have. I mean, there's a lot of people that we can get this post out to. So 85% upvoted. From 8th of June, Yahoo Finance article. No, there's not a nano nozzle pattern from 8th of June. No, there's not. Are you talking about the one that the Reddit was saying it was, but it was actually way before 2020? Send me the link of that, but no, there's not. If there was a nano nozzle pattern on June 8th, we would probably know about it by now. But if there is, please tell me. Please tell me. I would hope I would know about it by now, and our community would know about it, but Cal, send me the link for that right now on the Discord. Send me the link. We're getting closer. Dude, if we get to the top 5, we're literally going to be up at thousands. We're going to have thousands of upvotes. We probably already have like 300 to 500 right now. It's so good to see that the BNGO post is finally, we finally have one. We finally have one post that actually you can see. Well, actually, no, we had one before, but it was like 40th or like 70th on the Wall Street Bets. You had to scroll way down to find it. This is the first one that we've ever had in the first 25 in months. Probably more. You know what? I don't know if we ever have. You know what? They removed mine for being too short. Needs to be 100 plus characters plus need karma. Yeah, there's so many different specifications that are annoying. Plus, they remove it anyways, even if it meets them. They've done it before to me several times, but yeah, do your best. Do your best to get rid of to maneuver around the visual mod and all the crappy requirements that there are. 20K bought 757 went down. Manipulation is too obvious. I agree. I mean, come on. I agree. It's too obvious. It's too obvious. Doesn't matter how many shares are bought at the ask. There's all of next week to push BNGO to Wall Street Bets. No need to make a video. Just keep pushing. You're only getting started. Yes. Sure. Dude, it looks like we're about to test 750. Oh, man. This is really weird. I'm not surprised, right? This is the same pattern that we used to see. We'll see if it actually starts effectuating, right? The pattern, though, oh my gosh, 20,000 just sold at 753. Damn. But what do you call it? Shorts pouncing at the open, covering throughout the rest of the day. That's what we saw last week. That's the pattern that we saw last week. We'll see if that continues today. But the shorts have obviously only increased their positions today. And if we continue to hold, I mean, even if we do continue to hold above 750, the shorts got to be wondering when they want to cover, because they've already tried. They've already done everything they can. If the markets don't dump, we're not going to dump. That's as simple as it is. We got the Russell 3000 news. We've got earnings. Well, we're not that close to earnings, but as earnings gets closer, you know, more people are going to probably likely buy, just because it's very. Just made a YOLO post on Wall Street Bets. Hold on. Let's just go. Wall Street Bets post. YOLO post. Yes. YOLO on BNGO, not much, but for some of you apes, 100% of my TFSA. BNGO Lambo, here we come. 600 shares. 755. Yes. Yes. This is what we need. More mentions. The new BNGO tweet is what I was talking about, Alzheimer's. Yeah, we already looked at that. We have a bunch of head. We have a beachhead with that Wall Street Bets post, so I agree. Push it, work, and wait. Yeah, all right, let's do it. Yeah, I'm with y'all. Let's wait. Let's wait on the war video. War, okay? Finishing a war that the Wall Street Bet mods started, and only a war with the mods, not the Wall Street Bet apes. But yes, we're going to postpone that whole thing as of now. But yeah, these posts, dude, this is what we need. This is the #1 way BNGO will push short term and go to $10 and all-time highs. I sincerely believe if Wall Street Bets likes BNGO as even top 10, even if we can stay in the top 10 for a while, we will hit $10 next week. Look at that. Hold on. That's the short activity. Sized by number of Wall Street Bet mentions, and then this one is trend map. 27%. BNGO is still pretty high up there. And then on this one, BNGO is where are we? Wow, TLRY is all the way up there now. Wow. Neo. What? We went down again. Did we go down again? What? We're just not gaining as many as the other guys are. That's the problem. Damn, we're still going down, even with these two posts. Damn. Brennan, you're liking Elon Musk manipulating the market. Come on, man. Come on. I hope you're joking. I hope you're joking. I'm not tweeting shit, am I? I'm not tweeting, oh, Bitcoin's price seems high. Or Bitcoin, Bitcoin being, saying some bearish shit on Bitcoin, am I? I asked if you could load the new BNGO Alzheimer's tweet into our no BNGO Wall Street Bets that is tracking. I can't. The new post? No. I didn't post this. My friend, this guy, I tell you what, you can add this guy on the Discord and tell him to edit that in. That would be great. That would be cool. Let's see if he added in the Fellowship of the Sapphire thing. He did! Oh my gosh, thank you. He did. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right. We got about what 22 minutes till we're gonna get out of here and take a break, and then I'll maybe come back and stream the market close because I can't. We honestly, there's not much reason for us to stream the entire market open when it's just boring, when it's literally just no price action at all. If you look at the 1 minute, we're barcoding. We're barcoding. It's as simple as it is, right? This is what barcoding looks like. We're doing it. There's no volume. There's no news. There's news that is, they're tweeting old stuff. We do have some fun Wall Street Bet stuff today. Right? We do have a lot of fun stuff there, but that's pretty much all we've got today that's fun. Everything else is just Here, you know what? Let's see if we do have any news here. Any new job listings. I've got a feeling that there is. Let's see. I haven't checked in a while. Let's see here. Nope, doesn't look like it. 2 weeks ago, there's a 2 days ago one. Yeah, nothing. Job alert on. Yes. 554, really struggling to stay above 750. We better close above 750. Guys, if we don't close above 750, that's gonna be extremely bearish. Okay, 4 hourly super trend to bearish. Okay, I'm extremely bullish. I'm not selling one share. I'm investing in this because of the fundamentals. But if we confirm the breakdown below 750, it could get scary. Short term, I'm still holding all my shares. I recommend a diamond hands is for a lot of people, but make your own investment decision. There's different solutions to all different risk tolerances and goals, right? Those damn bears. Yep, still increasing their short interest. Yep. Platinum well deserved. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. This is our only hope for today, maybe. This is the only hope for today. Oh, man. Said 5 again. Oh, did I say 550? No, 750. Did I say 5? Did I say 550? 750. Sorry, $7.50. 750, sorry. I'm stupid. Excuse my brain not working. My brain only works about half the time. Sorry, guys. Oh, man. Let me go to Twitter, see if there's anything new. Yeah, if the post gets removed, we got to do something. I agree, but hopefully it doesn't. Let's just hope it doesn't. Let's just hope it doesn't. I wouldn't be surprised if they remove this one as well. Oh, crap. Yeah, I had to be at least 10K. Well, yeah, but I've seen posts that are less than 10K, though. Tell you what, I'm going to do YOLO. Well, I can't do a YOLO. I can't. Well, okay, tell you what. Here we go. This is what we're going to do. We're gonna do a YOLO post right now. See if they remove. I'm gonna do it on my other account. See if they don't. See if they remove it. All right. BNGO YOLO right here. All right. Well. Hold on. Hold on. There we go. Okay, here. There we go. We're going to post this live, and y'all are going to see if they remove it. I hope they don't. I hope they don't. Actually, I don't even know if I can post on Wall Street Bets because this account hasn't been here enough. Yep, there it is. It's removed. I guess it technically did. It technically did break the rule, but I've seen other posts that have been less than that. So, okay, I can. Yes, yes. YOLO, YOLO. YOLO, BNGO, YOLO. I'll just keep it simple. I'll just do that. YOLO. Do the YOLO flare. There is no now before I post this, is there any reason why this would be removed? I have karma. I've been in this. I've had this Wall Street Bets. I've been in the community for a while. It's above the $10,000 rule, right? It is more than $10,000, right? We're talking about what 14,000, right? It fits all the requirements. So if this gets removed, before I post this, does everybody think I should? And is there any reason? Also, if you want me to change the title, if there's any good titles anyone can think of, that's a kind of a lame title. But yes. All right. I told you 770. I predicted the price 4 times. Prediction now. Don't buy, hold. It will drop more. Expect run-ups 19th. Okay. All right, my friend. All right, my friend. We will see if your prediction is correct. It could certainly be. Oh, hey, why would you have an NNDM to the moon account while you're bullish on BNGO? Because this is an account I created literally before YouTube. Yeah, but anyways, all right, here we go. Stop spamming them. Mods are getting annoyed is the word. That's why they aren't picking it up. What do you mean? What do you mean? I haven't even tried to post anything to Wall Street Bet in a while, and all the posts that are getting there. I mean, I think everybody's kind of slowed down with the trying. We were trying a lot earlier in the week, but since they started removing everything, we just stopped. At least I stopped. And I stopped telling people to, except like here and there on the streams. Not as much as we were. So I don't think so. I think this is a good idea. This is a good idea. This isn't spamming. This is a good post. This is a YOLO, right? It's a YOLO. You got to have plus 100 characters. Even on a YOLO? Are you sure? Let's buy a few down here near 750 and push back for the afternoon run and shut up about Reddit or I'm going to another stream, bro. Are you serious? Havana, I respect you a lot, but I think you may just have to... If you don't like it, you may just have to find something else, maybe. This is a net positive for the stock, I believe. I'm going to try to post it. No, okay, yes. There's been a lot of spammy of BNGO. All right, most people said yes, so I'm just going to go ahead and try to post it. Let's see if it gets removed. I don't know. It's a YOLO, though, right? I don't have to... Right, I can't even do any characters here, can I? I can't even add any characters here. I say we try it. Let's do it. All right, it looks like it's up right now. We'll see if it gets removed. We'll see. BNGO B3 triple digits. It's a game changer for the medical industry. No, being thankful and respectful gains. Gains respect and Wall Street Bets are mature investors. They don't care to see ticker symbols over and over. They want DD improved. Yes. I agree completely. 100% agree. And they also like YOLOs. Let me change my name. NNDM to the move just sounds. Can you even change your name? Let's see here. Okay. I'll do it. I don't know. Aragon. No, I'll do Vikings over Gods. All right, there. Let me go ahead and can I save it? Okay. Change is saved. Okay, good. All right, whatever. I'll take that. Is it now removed? Is it not removed yet? Really? All right, I'll take it. I'll take it. What do you mean they control me? What the hell does that mean? We're literally disagreeing and you think they control me? Okay. All right, they know what BNGO is, but I don't think they are wanting the squeeze to lose before they ape. I wish I could show my YOLO. I'm 100% BNGO portfolio value at 597. I just can't see buying at 750. My guess is they are watching the squeeze and are going to pounce overnight. I hope you're right, but I think I'm a little bit more cautiously optimistic. Cautiously, yeah, I'm more cautiously optimistic than you are, I think, with the Wall Street Bet stuff. I just think a lot of them don't know about BNGO because all the censorship that's been going on. Like there's only been like what, less than 10 posts of BNGO that have gotten through that I know of in the last 2 weeks, month maybe. Okay, at least the ones that have gotten any upvotes that haven't got removed. So I just don't think a lot of them know about it. But maybe they do. But maybe they do, right? Maybe they do. Maybe you're right. You could be right. Can't say which night. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you're right. You're right on that front. I agree. We could certainly get a drop. I don't think, honestly, I don't really think it's very likely that we get another drop just because the markets are running today, and fundamentally we're better now than we've been. And this run, this bleeding is not for a reason, but the markets are irrational and the technicals are not that great. Plus, the more Wall Street Bet exposure that we get, the more likely it is that we're going to go up. Plus, we do like that short interest increase today, and the pattern is shorts pounce it open, and then they cover as we get close to the close, and then we make a higher close than open. But we haven't got that in several days, and wow, 50,000 shares sold at the bid, 752. Damn. We don't need Wall Street Bets. The company's great on its own. Yes, it is. That is true. We don't need them, but it would be nice to have. 43K to be bought at 750. At least we got a real wall. I actually am going to go out on a limb here, and I'm going to say that I think a lot of this wall at 750 actually is real. I think shorts, looking at the gap up on June 4th, closure at 687 before we move back up. And lack of fundamental news, technical trading leads. Well, here's the thing. We did get fundamental news, and we did get Sapphire adoptions and the Russell 3000 inclusion and the new CCO. Plus, the shorts, I mean, yeah, you could be perfectly right, my friend, but if you want to make the argument that shorts are taking this down because the gap up on the daily chart, you need to understand that shorts tried the same thing back at the start here. They tried the exact same thing, and it didn't work. They got squeezed. And if Wall Street Bets adopts us, they're going to get squeezed again. That's as simple as it is, in my opinion. 100K. Oh my gosh, yeah, 100. Oh my gosh, 200K. More than about 220,000 shares sold at the bid. They are trying to make this go down below 750. Holy shit. Yeah, Alpha, this is true, but if they ape, we realistically could touch 100 a share end of year. Yeah, honestly. Yeah, about 200K sold right there. Over 200K. Yep. Sadness. We could easily break 750. We easily could. I think that let's see if this post didn't get removed yet. Oh my gosh, it didn't get removed. I didn't even link this in the chat. I didn't even link this in the chat. Bad form. If we are green in after hours, inflation scares are over. Interesting how you think it's over 2 days after the event, or 1 day, or was it yesterday or the day before? I think it was yesterday. Yesterday or the day before. Interesting how you think. Well, I guess you say that mostly because after hours, people are expecting inflation. People in betting, okay, it's worth the risk. Ortex is not updated. It's worth the risk for the next week. That's why we're in, and inflation worries are not enough to scare us, maybe. So, you know what? Maybe my name here, NNDM to the moon, maybe this is good because maybe it's good that this is a... maybe it's good that that's the name so they'll be less likely to remove it, right? Because I'm not just a BNGO spammer, which is what they think about anyone who has anything relating to BNGO, right? Man, we're getting close to 750. Whew. I know my DD, but I just don't see us getting a golden day yet. We are at just the beginning. We are just in just the beginning, Eric's own words. Yeah, but I'm sure someone as intelligent as you recognizes that if that post that we just got, the due diligence post, goes to like top 10, top 5 on Wall Street Bets, we're probably not going to do too bad today. Especially if some of these posts start actually getting through. Especially if the DCF model by Radneros. I mean, next week is going to be great if DCF model 2.0 by Radneros. He said it's going to be done this weekend. I think. I hope that's right. That's true. But yeah. Come on, man. The fame has gone. All right, I don't want to give the haters and the negative people any attention, but this is a realistic concern from somebody. Now, all right, I want to be very clear here for everybody. This is very serious. Okay, here we go. I don't want to seem pissed off, but this does piss me off a lot. So someone is saying, Missing Scholar, my friend Missing Scholar, the fame has gone to your head, Brandon. You used to be the DD king. Now you become a Wall Street Bets sellout. What's next? Merch. Fun fact, I've actually had merch available in the description for freaking months. But, dude, the Wall Street Bet, I mean, Wall Street Bets sellout? I mean, if we look at my profile, just because I like Wall Street Bets and the fact that I like them, I want them to join our cause, I don't think that negates anything that we've done. I still post due diligence. I still do Reddit posts of due diligence, right? If we look at the profile, I've done several. I mean, is this not good due diligence right here? High short interest, fundamentally undervalued, and interesting healthcare revolution, right? If we just go down here, right? I list all of the catalysts that the price action has ignored in the last few months. All right, no one else. I urge you to find someone else that can recall or list all of the catalysts that we've got. Okay, just to name some, right? 2 revenue beats, 1 earnings per share beat, CEO and 3 C-suite members getting leads with share exercisability valuing in the hundreds of millions of dollars. Exercise price is $7.83. CFO projection of substantial double-digit revenue growth along with this 20 to 40% year-over-year operating expense. Okay, you get what I mean. I don't want to do all this, but there's literally, I don't think that's fair to say. I disagree with you so much. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm missing opportunity. Can you explain? Do you really think that? I mean, I respect your opinion. Do you really think that? Do you really think that? Just because I want Wall Street Bets to help us? I mean, I understand there's people that are going to disagree. You can't get everyone to like you, but do you really think that I am selling out just because I want Wall Street Bets to know about the opportunity we have here? The high short interest, the call options expiring next week, the open interest high. Is that really what you think? What can I do better? You think Wall Street Bets makes me sell out? I respect it. I just. I'm sorry that you think that. I just can't wait until Sapphire 2 gets more attention. 2 chips at once. Twice the consumables, meaning the share price is still half of what it can be. Yeah, also, just think about the cost of the consumable, right? Consumable revenue, $450 to $550 per genome. That's going down to $100 by the end of 2023 maximum. And they clarified that in the last earnings call, quarter 1, 2021. From the other side of the fence, why would someone want to let you in, calling them corrupt and downgrading them unprofessional, Brandon? That's not you. Green Monster, I respect that, but I only called them corrupt after they selectively removed and banned me and removed hundreds, if not at least dozens, at least like 30 to 50 to 100 BNGO posts. I love Wall Street Bets. You guys know this. I don't understand how there's so much confusion on this. I understand not everyone can watch this, but I love Wall Street Bets. The only people that are corrupt in my mind for Wall Street Bets are the people who selectively chose, okay, this post is about BNGO. It fits all our requirements. It passed all the auto bans, all the visual mob bans. I'm going to take it down because I don't like people. I don't like this. There's no other reason, okay? They banned me. They muted me. I've talked to them several times. I've tried to send them messages. Okay, I think everybody understands that. So please tell me what you think now that you've heard that, Green Monster. I know you're an OG of the community. Please tell me. Unprofessional? This isn't a professional channel. I mean, I give you it raw, man. I mean I don't. This isn't me, Kevin, where it's like a TV show, and you get if you cuss, you get freaking you get your show off or whatever. This is just raw shit. That's all it is. Auspicious has made more posts, more content than anyone here else. His fame is of his own earning. There's no fame. I mean, I'm extremely thankful for the channel doing well, but I'm not complaining in any way though. Everyone here is supporting BNGO and the channel, not because of Wall Street bets. Let's focus on the great DD you always come with. Fair enough. Sure. I've already said that we're not gonna make a Wall Street bet exposing video for a while. And all the Wall Street bet naysayers, do y'all think we should just never post the Wall Street bets? Do y'all think that's bad? I legitimately don't know. It's just not what we were about a few months ago. We were about technicals, fundamentals, and positivity. Now it's just war and giving bears what they want. Attention. No, I always have tried to debunk the bears and hear what the bears are saying, because in order to have an open mind, you have to hear the bears. I've always since the live stream started, I've always talked to the bears. I've always asked them what they think is wrong. If you don't ask them, then you have a narrow mind. But also, we still do fundamentals. We still do technicals. We still do positivity, right? I hope you guys don't think all the positivity the channel has done, right? I mean, it's still a high point for the channel, the community. I think it is, at least. I mean, if you just look at the last video we did, right? A major YouTube channel extremely bearish on BNGO, right? If we get past the freaking ads here, I can show you in here in a second. I mean, look at this. Okay, we go over articles. This is fundamentals. We go over events coming up. We go over YouTube. We go over the studies. I mean, this is due diligence that no other YouTuber or Reddit post that even knows about, right? We still do right. We do technical analysis every single day. Short interest data and Wall Street bets is the only new thing, man. I still think. I mean, we still do it. We're not selling out. The channel's not selling out. Come on, man. Come on, man. Don't see it as selling out. It's just the way you're going about it. What does that mean? Yeah, we're still doing fundamentals, man. Fundamentals is still the reason why the channel is where it is today. I mean, let's be honest here. Right? And we give Wall Street bets no other options, but they won't pick it up as long as we got this silly meme stock kids posting BNGO and nothing else. Yeah, I've been saying, okay, maybe I was wrong with selling out. It's just a different vibe here now. Well, different vibe here now. I don't know. I'll tell you what. If you're talking about my energy and my positivity and optimism, I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what, guys. Here's the truth, guys. I'll tell you what. 2 days ago or last night. No, two nights ago, I had a very bad health problem with my heart, and I was trying to be like out. It was really weird. It was. Anyways. I don't want to complain. I'm still healthy. Don't worry. I'm not pulling a. I don't know. I'm not trying to complain, but there was health problems, and I'm good now. I'm great now. But that kind of has made me a little bit more. I don't know, not as insane hyper-wise. If you're talking about the vibe energy-wise, yeah, I'm not as crazy. Also, streaming every day this week is really hard for me to maintain the same super high energy. Plus the reason why we usually don't stream all week for all day because of that reason, right? We usually only stream once, twice a day for like maybe 3 hours max. But because of the insane news and 1,000 things to cover, we've been able to literally just talk about BNGO the entire day, news and the price action, because we've been going up so much and there's been so much news. Nowadays, we're seeing reality set back in, right, where it's like, okay, there's only 1 or 2 pieces of news a day, if that. Price action isn't that exciting. So that's kind of why maybe you think there's a different vibe. But I appreciate that, Patrick. I know. I do really want to hear the people that think, rant some other time. Rant, right? Freaking now, we need you to lead the chair on the price action right now. Allow this uptake. Okay, that's probably true. 761 right now. We are bouncing right now. I mean, that's as simple as it gets. If we look at the short share, let me look at the short share availability. I don't know what else to talk about because there is nothing. But yeah, guys, and let me preface by saying why it's so important that, you know, Havana is right. Okay, screw the freaking rant. We can do the rant some other time, right? We do that at the end, right? Right now, we are actually bouncing from 751-ish, 752 up to about 760, breaking the previous high of 760. And right now, it's very important that we actually get a bounce off 750, because if we don't, not only do we get the 4-hourly super trend bearish flip, but that's just signaling of a lower low, right? That's descending triangle. Also, if this is a descending triangle, the price target would be way down. I mean, I don't even want to draw it up because that's just going to scare everybody. But just to put it plainly, we're going to go way down if we broke 750 most likely, right? And I don't think we are, to be honest with you. I said earlier, what's his name? One of our intelligent DDers, I think it was Funeral Father, right? I think it was. He predicted that we're going to go down. That easily could happen. But I honestly, I think there's a much higher chance that we don't break 750. I think there is a high chance that we actually end the day green or close to green. Okay, now I've said that. Now take it with a grain of salt, because I've literally said that the last like 2 or 3 days in a row, and I've been wrong every single day. So take that with a grain of salt. But fundamentally, there's no reason why we should be down today other than a cool down and a continuation of the descending triangle chart pattern. We have the fundamentals, we have the research, we have the Wall Street bets, and the biggest thing is that we have nano dimension freaking way up, and that's our tether the last few days. We're underperforming them. Would not be surprised if we get a correction up to them. Plus, high growth is doing okay. High growth is doing okay. There's a lot of red, but we're doing all right. And the markets, this is the big reason, right? This is the biggest reason why I think we're going to go up today. The markets are giving us a chance, right? The markets are not freaking down. I mean, technically the markets are, the SPY and Dow are down, but the Russell is doing well. The NASDAQ was doing really well. It's doing okay right now. But you get what I mean, right? You get what I mean. So I do think... And obviously, here's the biggest reason. And guys, with my short-term predictions, you have to consider I am always a little bit of my reasoning is always going to be a PR is about to drop, or not about to drop, but, you know, it's likely. Like, the more the time goes on, the more likely it is that the fundamentals actually will start determining the stop price, which in my opinion, you know, $10. Okay, so the longer the time goes on, the lower we are, the more likely it is that we're going to go up from there. If that makes sense, does that make sense to y'all? But yeah, and obviously the PR, we've had a lot of silence. So for those reasons, I would say that's kind of why today I don't really think we're going to break 750, to be honest with you, but we certainly could. I've been wrong 2 days in a row, my short-term predictions, man. So I don't know. Make your own decision. Make your own decision, man. 761 right now, testing the high right here, not the intraday high, the high that we've made in the last few minutes. All right. Come on, man, dude. I don't understand why so many people are against Wall Street bets. I really don't. I don't want to start talking about them, but it's literally a net positive. It's a net positive for the company if we get exposure. I mean, it's just more exposure and publicity for us, more apes and more people that know about the due diligence. This is why it's so good, so good. Only 234 upvotes too. Damn, that's like nothing actually. It's good. We're doing well, but we need more than that. All right. I don't think we are a laughing stock. Yeah, no, we're not a laughing stock. I don't care if they talk about long-term hodlers. We don't need Wall Street bets, so why do we care? I'll tell you why we care. My friend, I'm glad you got some questions. I'm glad you asked that. Why should long-term hodlers care what happens short-term, and why should we care about Wall Street bets? This is why. Not only does that increase the publicity and exposure of the stock, likely increasing the aggregate sales that we get because of that and academic praise, but also increasing the amount of long-term investors through apes investing, YOLOing, whatever the hell the apes do, and then seeing, oh, wow, this is a cool PR that they just dropped. Wow, this is from yesterday. Whoa, the nano nozzle, what's this? They see the due diligence. They start researching a little bit. Apes are not as smart as we are. Or, you know, I guess that's a little mean, but, you know, they don't research as much as we are sometimes. If they were to research, they would see what we see, and I guarantee you some of the apes, if not a lot of them, would become long-term hodlers similar to us in their own way. So that is why Wall Street bets is a net positive, man. It's a no-brainer in my opinion, right? If you want to make the argument unnatural growth or pump and dump, both of those are false, because number one, unnatural growth, the company's sales do not evaporate out of thin air if Wall Street bets were to start pumping. Also, there's a squeeze on the horizon. Okay, that's good for obvious reasons. Wall Street bets could help us with that. Also, if you want to make the pump and dump argument, well, I would say because of the first reason, right, long-term hodlers, some apes becoming long-term hodlers, that prevents the dump, the end of the dump, being lower than the start of the pump, if that makes sense. 761, man. 761. Where are the bears at? Where are the bears? Dude, Mythical Physics, what did Mythical Physics say next? What was the last thing Mythical said? He said, I don't know. He said we're going to 5. Did he say we're going to 570 today? Yeah, he did. Yeah, no. He said, here we go. Let me go up here. Hold on. Yeah, he said we were talking about this. He said we're going to 570 on Friday, today, right? he said earlier when we were talking about it and when we were telling about his prediction being awful, he said Friday's not over yet. So he still thinks maybe he still thinks we're going to 570. So where is he now? You know where he is. Hibernation. That's as simple as it gets. The bears don't come out when we're green. They come out when we're red. And we just broke the previous high. Previous high, not intraday high, 762. Microvision, dude, what's up with Microvision today, man? Same chart action with Bionano just getting killed way more. Let me look at the genomic sector again, see what they're doing. Not anything really. Look at Pat Bio down 2%. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I love when Pat Bio's red. It doesn't get any better than that, man. It's beauty. That's beauty. This could be, let me look at some indicators here. This could be, oh, okay, yes, we finally got the flip on the 5-minute SAR for the first time today, basically, yes, and then we're about to test our resistance, 763. 764 is where our resistance on the Supertrend 5-minute is. Take your Adderall. I know I need a little bit of an Adderall shot to get me excited and get me freaking crazy again. It's been a tiring week, man. This is the first week that we started streaming the entire market hours. But yeah, we're seeing the buying pressure come in. A lot of orders at the ask, right? We've got walls at 750. We've got walls if we were to dip short term. I believe most of these are fake, to be honest with you. And on the bear side, we're not really seeing many walls. There's not many walls that we have to break. According to the level 2 data, remember, dark pools, naked shorting, market manipulation, ways that we don't even know, they are not accounted. The shares that they are trying to sell and short and buy are not accounted for in here. Thank you so much, Brandon Stevenson. I really appreciate that. I really do. Thank you so much. For the person that was saying the vibe was different in here now, can you please give me an update? 763. Can you give me an update and say if you really think that after kind of hearing my spiel? Do you really think that we're sell out? I hope you guys don't think the channel is sold out. Come on. Yeah, I mean, we haven't sold out. Come on. We haven't sold out. How have we sold out? Wall Street bets means I sell out. We still do fundamentals. All right, I'm sorry. I'm done. Most of the people understand this. All right, back to the price action. 764. If we get a flip right here, that's extremely bullish for the next few hours. That's as simple as it is, man. We have not had the 5-minute bullish flip since we tested $8. I mean, that's as simple as it gets, man. If we get the flip, I love it. Yeah, a lot of dislikes on that Everything Money video, I know. Oh yeah, it's 11:38 right now though. Oh dang it, I gotta go. We gotta end the stream here, man. Should I end it or we could keep it going? But I gotta go eat soon, man. We can't do it though. All right. Tell you what, if we get the flip here, if we get the bullish flip here, I'll stay a little bit longer. But if we get rejected in the next 5-10 minutes, then we're gonna get out. Oh, man. All right. Lucid trading guy. Everything Money is, yeah, that video. Yeah, Everything Money. If anyone just getting in here right now, here, let me go ahead and put this in the comments real quick if anyone wants to do this. Okay, if you're calling me a sellout because I'm promoting BNGO due diligences on Wall Street bets, we just, I agree to disagree, but there you go. That is news. And then a due diligence 2 hours ago just got through, and Wall Street bets not censored for once. And then we also have what was I gonna say? What's the other thing we have to say? What's the other thing we have today? Yeah, it's better vibe now. I just think I just joined at a bad time. Okay, sorry. Well, sorry, man. Hey, when you join these streams, stuttering, stupidity, audio problems, technical difficulties, those all happen occasionally. Yeah. Yep. They all happen, man. So you got to deal with that. When you click on these streams, that's what you're getting. So yeah, almost green right now though. We're almost about to flip green. Nothing to talk about. Let me check the markets. Russell just got the bearish flip. Nasdaq is, what's the Nasdaq doing? We don't care about the Nasdaq. High growth has been, and talking about what's happened with high growth today, dude, it's so weird. It's so weird what's happening with high growth. High growth has been like inversely correlating with the freaking with the markets, right? The high growth goes up when the Nasdaq and the broader markets go down. It's very weird. It's very weird. But sometimes high growth is just weird, man. The market is irrational. That's just how it is sometimes. Do you think they are covering their shorts? No, they are not. At least based on our last change here. This was 1040, which was an hour ago. The shorts are still increasing their position, right? Still 15% or 14.5% of the free flow has been sold short, not yet covered. Look at the short interest here. Short share availability is very low, right? This was, so basically, I mean, I trust Ortex data a little bit more than this just because the short share availability, not only shorts covering, that's not the only thing that determines this information, to my understanding, but 1 million shares were available. Right now, 200,000, right? So what does that tell you? From yesterday, from 610, 1 million more shares have been lent out from the brokers and sold short, applying more selling pressure on the stock, and that can explain a lot about why we're not green today or why we're down so much. I mean, we're only down 0.5% right now, but you know. We should work up our DD video and Sapphire and explainer video with voiceover that highlights the tech advantages and dollars potential. We need you to educate newbies not willing to read the DD doc. Yeah, we do. I'll do that. Yes. I don't know about voice. I don't know about like an animated professional. I don't know about professional video. I'll do my best. The normal due diligence style video, I can do that. If I could have heard about it on my birthday, I would be a millionaire because I would have bought. Okay, cool. Not gonna pump. Time to go eat. I know. Oh, I know. I gotta go eat. Yeah, we're getting rejected here. I'm gonna go eat now. When I come back, it's gonna be down, maybe. The goal for today is to at least. I mean, hopefully, at the very least, we need to hold above 750 today. Funeral Father, I guess he was correct on his last prediction. At least he's claiming. I think he's right. I think he's truthful, but I don't know for sure. He's saying we're gonna break. He's saying we're gonna go way lower. I disagree. Well, I don't know. I'm not making a prediction like, okay, this is what's going to happen. But I'm saying it's more likely that we go up from down. I'm saying it's more likely that we close above 750. That's what I'm saying. But I've been wrong. The last 2 days, I've been wrong short term plenty of times, right? So, and you guys have to remember, when you're watching this channel, my best thing, my most high conviction predictions is long term fundamental analysis, because that's what I think I've done more research on than anyone else, right? Short term, okay. Let me tell you something, guys. There's 1,000 indicators short term that you can look at, and you can still be wrong. Okay, it's the markets, and at the end of the day, a couple whales and a couple toots, them buying or selling is what's going to determine if we close red or green today. Okay, now long term, mid term, even short term, like a week outlook. Okay, that's at the end of the day, technicals, fundamentals, news, catalyst markets. These things do have a huge effect, but still, at the end of the day, it's very hard to predict where we're going to go short term. That's why it's better to just hodl long term a lot of the time. 3 to 5 years, I currently talk to my psychiatrist about using it as a treatment. What? Wait, what? What are you talking about? Right. You buy now, you will thank me later. I know. You're talking about BNGO, right? Please tell me you're talking about BNGO. Dart pool. Yeah, dart pools. Yep. Yes, sir. We are trying to form a hammer candle right now, though, but the price action is so slow, and it's literally just barcoding up, basically, right? We did have a little bit of a volume pump there, which was a nice change from the barcoding, but I leave it on the 5-minute for a reason, which is partly just to partly forget about the freaking barcoding that we got because of the lack of volume. We have no volume, by the way. $8 end of day. Oh, MindMed. Really? You're talking about MindMed? You really think so? Man, I have a fundamental problem with that, with using the drugs for depression treatment, right? Fundamental problem with that, but let's not get into that, right? I don't know a lot about that company. It could be great. It could be definitely great. Every time you wander off, it loses steam, so maybe you want to renew your chi and eat. Well, do y'all want me to keep it open today when we leave? I should probably, I mean, we are getting rejected right now. I guess I probably should go eat real quick. I have not went to the bathroom, and how long has the stream been going on? 4 hours? 3 hours? 3 hours or 4 hours? 3 hours. Have not went to the bathroom in 3 hours. Have not eaten. So yeah, I think we should probably leave. I can leave it on. I can leave it up. Right? We can technically still be streaming. We can do that. BNGO. Here we go. We can set it up. Do you guys want me to leave it up, or do y'all just want me to end the stream? It's up to y'all. I mean, I guess we can honestly, we probably should just end it, honestly. We probably should just leave it with buy at the ask. You aren't you when you're hungry, bro. Well, I actually did eat a little bit before the stream, like way earlier when I actually woke up early today, but like 9 out of 10 days I don't eat breakfast, so I'm always hungry in the mornings, man. I don't eat breakfast usually, so $10 by next week. I hope so. Wall Street Bet stop censoring us and it will happen, mark my words. FDA approval 3 to 5 years, I promise. Okay. It's new cannabis. Interesting. Yeah, I say, guys, this is what I say. I honestly, just because, I mean, I'll start streaming in an hour or 2 hours if we start pumping or dumping, like if it's, or there's news, something crazy, right? But otherwise, And plus, based on the last few days, it's just not, there's nothing exciting enough to stream really the whole day. I mean, there is, but I don't want to lower the quality of the stream, right? I want to keep, when we're streaming, I want y'all to know that it's freaking, there's cool stuff going on, right? So, I mean, and there's not, right? The fact of the matter is there's not enough cool stuff going on in the stream time for a day for us to stream the entire market open to close. I think we should end it and then come back at about, I don't know, 1 Central Time or 2 Central Time, which is like 1 to 2 hours before the market closes. What do you guys think? I say that's what we do. Keep it up. Let's just all try and forget about the Wall Street Bet scenarios for now and support the links that have been allowed on Wall Street Bets. Everyone go upvote. Okay, cool. I mean, I'm with you mostly. Do you think the mods at Wall Street Bets are artificially creating a meme cycle? They hold down something that should be trending, load the boat, then let it break through. Dude, I 100% think that, and we have proof for that. At least to some degree. I mean, why do you think they're censoring BNGO? That's the only explanation. Yes. You want ape support, you got to adopt the mantra. We've got some ape support. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, by the way, if anyone's new here, if we have any new viewers, do we even have any new viewers nowadays? Man, I feel like we don't get any new viewers. But dude, what do you call it? I am not shaving the beard, the attempted beard, right? It's more like a whisker. It's more like whiskers. Let's be honest. Can we be honest with each other? It's an attempted beard. I can't grow a beard, but I am not gonna shave that attempted beard or get a haircut until BNGO hits shaving $10, and then for the haircut, all-time highs. I'm not getting a haircut to all-time highs, so my hair could literally, if we don't hit all-time highs in the next like 5 months, 6 months, by end of year, my hair will be probably down like right here, maybe lower. I don't know. Yeah. So, yep. I'm crazy enough to do that. Y'all thought I was joking. I was not kidding. I'm crazy enough to do that. If you shave it, we'll come back for it. Isn't that scientifically false? Aren't there articles disproving that? I don't know. I don't care. All right, but I am just saying it could be a good ticker. Okay, yeah, of course. BNGO will hit all-time highs before then. I hope so. I think they will, but yeah, who knows? Who knows, man? Who knows? All right, boys. Victor, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Your road is for growth. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Well, yeah. I got scared when people were saying earlier the vibe was different. I got scared. That scared me. I care what you guys think. I care what you guys think a lot, all right? For better or worse, I really care what everybody thinks, right? Very populist type of channel, you know? I listen to the Bears. I don't listen to the Bears, but I hear what they're saying, and I debate them on stream, and that's kind of just what makes channel unique, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, all right, let's get out of here. Damn it. Yeah, AMC rejected at 45. BNGO rejected at yeah. The same chart. It's the same chart. Well, not really. It's kind of the same chart though. It was the same chart earlier, man. Same players in BNGO and AMC both. Yeah, there's a good case to be made. Yep, maybe. Yeah. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Can you look at BIOL? Yes, I can. Victor, I know it's annoying. Oh no, it's not annoying at all, my friend. Here we go. 5% of the day. Hell yeah, man. Congrats on that. 5% of the day, doing 5% better than BNGO, right? I like that you have a really nice ascending clear level on BIOL. All right, we're gonna get Victor is a member, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some quick BIOL short term. A little bit of an ascending level, right? Whether or not that's validated, that's up to you. You are confirming the breakout finally over that 61.8% retracement. If we look at some short term indicators, I bet you're in bullish territory. Just got the buy sit on the daily. That's great. 4 hourly, you're looking bullish, 99%. Yep. If you look at the Bollingers, okay, you are very overextended though on the 4 hourly. You need to go sideways for a little bit short-term BIOLs most likely. And on the Bollinger, on the daily and entry point, you want to see this go sideways. It's kind of similar to BNGO, right? It's great if it goes up more, but it's even better if it goes sideways and then waits for that kiss off the 21 SMA. It has not touched that in about 2 trading weeks almost. So yeah, that's what I will say for BIOLs, my friend. And with that being said, we will come back for the market close and we will get out of here. Auspicious is a damn BNGO junkie. He don't eat, sleep. He just BNGO. That's true, man. That's true. My health has suffered because of that, honestly. And my problem is that late at night, I will make Reddit posts. You guys ever wonder how I get so much done? Because I wake up at 7 and I go to sleep at like midnight. Which is honestly fine, but yeah. I freaking work too much, which it's not work to me. I love it. I enjoy it, but that's why. All right, man, let's get out of here. All right, thank you all so much, man. We will come back. before power hour starts to get in there. And of course, if we start pumping or something, we will get in here. Anyways, with that being said, this is not financial advice. Thank y'all so much. Not shaving until BNGO hits 10. Not getting a haircut until BNGO hits 15. With that being said, man, I will see y'all in the next one.